Bodega Boys.
Hey, I have an appointment. My name's Michael Anthony Prosciutto. I have an appointment today.
Oh, Michael Anthony. Yes, we've been waiting for you. You said you wanted to get cosmetic surgery. I could not understand your voice on the phone. It was a little garbled, perhaps a bad connection.
Yeah.
What exactly were you interested in? A little rhinoplasty? Maybe a little Botox?
Actually, I wanted to put this in my forehead. Like, here, take a look. It's a nice big rock. You know, I saw Lil Uzi doing it, and I was like,
yes,
you know
the
what?
rapper. I saw that. I saw that on CNN headline news. So incredible. He got a stone implanted in his cranial region. That's groundbreaking technology. So you too would like to do. You got an expensive. This is what kind of stone is this? If I may ask. It seems to be.
It's a precious stone. It's precious to me.
Is it made of? It looks like the same consistency of plaster of Paris. Is that?
I mean, technically, there's some plaster in there. There's a little bit of sheetrock in there, but mostly it's cocaine and baking soda. It's a big ass rock, you know, and I want to put it on my forehead.
Lower your voice. I'm gonna need you to lower your voice. That's.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, it's attorney-client privilege.
I can.
You know?
That's for law. I cannot legally install this into your head.
Why not? I mean, it's just me and you here. Like, we don't gotta tell nobody. Like, I could just. You want me to I can do something for you. Like, if you just want to do it.
Sorry, it's not that kind of clinic here. Okay, we don't do that kind of under table kind of stuff. All right, I need you to leave.
I mean, I can get under the table.
You're not getting this rock back. Go. I need you to leave.
Are you sure? I could go under the table right now. You got a nice open desk. It's roomy down there. You know, just drop your trousers, bro. Let me get to work.
Bro, what do you? I've been so outraged. I have never been spoken to in such a way. And you know what? I'm gonna close these curtains, and I'm gonna lock this door, and I'm gonna turn off the lights. And whatever happens, happens. And perhaps you'll get a rock on your forehead, or perhaps something else. So
let's go.
Nurse, could you hold all my calls for the next hour? I'm about to do the drop.
Yeah, baby. Oh, it's about to be lit. Oh, man, I can't wait to get this rock on my head. Listen, are you ready? Strap in, because they don't call me Sweet Lips for nothing. Let's do the drop. Drop your pants.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Fuck was that? That was oh man, man.
You're just a jerk. You're just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Oh man, this is like when you start a relay race and you stumble right out the gate. Like, it's looking a little shaky. I don't know if episode 234 is going to live up to the standards of the other ones, but you know what? We're just gonna go off. It's like when Steph Curry, like, he misses a couple of shots, and then people are tweeting, they're like, "Yo, Steph Curry's done.
Yo,
it's a wrap." And then he has to like start hitting
57,
50 footers, and I don't even know what that means because I have cousins in England, so I don't know what imperial measurements are. So I watch NBA games, and I have to transfer everything to metric, and it's not as impressive, I guess.
Did you know that Kawhi Leonard weighs 3.5 stone?
Ooh. That's good to know.
That is wild.
Episode 234 of the world's most sanctified and praised and covered by the blood of Christ podcast. Amen.
That's right.
The only reason we haven't gotten COVID yet, not because of double masking, not because we know Dr. Fauci, not because of washing our hands. It is because we have heavy praying parents. And we want to thank them right now for keeping us safe. Okay?
Shout out to the OGs.
Shout out to the OG. Shout out to my mother who got Jesus' private number. Like, yo.
Well, I'm leaving Jesus WhatsApp message. It's like, hey, please take care of him. Make sure him and his friend Dan don't get coronavirus because that is very bad for them and then they cannot work. That's bad.
I got you.
Because we have to work every day.
I got you. Yes, I got you. It's like Jesus is just like, oh, Jesus got them under do not answer. Like, come on, but they still call it. They still call it. No scammers, no prayers.
Yo,
That's the thing. Imagine if when you prayed, you're like, listen, it's time we grow up. It's time we grow up as a society and a religion. When you say a prayer, at the end of it, God, whatever deity you believe in, or the universe, the same, when you go to, like, stay with me here. I'm sounding convoluted, but I'm walking home. When you go to the supermarket and you use your debit card, well, you put it in. Hey, yo, it's in there. But when the transaction is done, whether it went in or out, it says remove card now, and it makes a noise to let you know your transaction, whether it went through or not, we're done here. There should be a noise to let you know that God got your prayer. Which would be worse? If you got a noise that God was like, yo, I heard that, or if God was like,
prayer declined.
Prayer declined. Yo, you gotta get the prayer declined in public. Yo.
Wow. You like, yo, put a plastic bag over my prayer, my nigga, chill.
Dear Lord in heaven.
You wiping the prayer on your shirt?
Yo, dear Lord in prayer, dear Lord in heaven, like, it's not looking too good for grandma, and it would mean the world if you just help her to pull through with this, man. And I pray these things, and Hail Mary and all that good stuff. So look out for me, big dog, and all you hear is
fuck out of here, nigga. I be seeing you dirty Mac, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Oh, wow. What if when you get to heaven, there's just like mad paperwork for you to do? Because every time you ask God for something, it started like a chain of paperwork. Ooh. And he's like, yo, you got mad shit to sign here, my guy. Oh, you was asking for a lot of shit.
You was doing this?
Oh, you think you just gonna ask for shit and then there's like no chain of command? Like, this is mad post-it notes like sign here, show proof of residency here. Can you show ID? They're like, you made this prayer in 2005. Do you have ID for that apartment? I'm like, what the? No, I'm dead.
What are you talking about?
Where the fuck am I gonna get the ID from, nigga? Sorry. I didn't mean to say the N-word. Sorry. So sorry.
Like
Yo,
okay.
Old habits. Like I was.
Yeah,
fam,
sorry.
You know how it was? Like shit was fun. Yo.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna just be quiet.
God damn. Oh, I'm sorry. I did.
Yo, stop fucking Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Whew, my bad. My bad.
They gotta give you like a week to get your shit right. They gotta be like, yo, get that shit out your system. You know.
You know when the shorties? Oh, I'm not gonna say shorties because men do too. But when they fly overseas to get that, get the little BBL, little lipo, and then they got the recovery house. They got to do the reverse. You know what I'm saying? Have you in a recovery house first, so you could atone for all your shit. And start going through your tab. You know what I'm saying? Because you get up there, guys like, nigga, you been asking for shit. You been praying for shit since you was like 8 years old. That's like fucking decades worth of prayers and asking shit. Nigga, you was praying for Nintendos in 89. Don't think I forgot. You know what I'm saying?
I'm confused because you said BBL, and the only BBL I know is British brain language. So do you know a more... I don't get this reference because I don't live a heathen life like that. So could you... Please tell me what I know the BBL is, bro.
Yeah, you know the vibes. A little Brazilian.
I only say that because Mero said that because we got. I'm gonna need Victor to like not listen to this part. We are starting a bar called BBL. All right, you know how you got Hooters? All the waitresses have BBL, and we do an actual BBL inside on a half hour. So
right behind the grill.
We're doing BBL like hibachi. Like, yo.
Yo. Throwing every ola in my mouth.
yo, watch. I'm going to throw a shrimp into where her belly button used to be. Like, what? Like,
oh. Yo, wherever the shrimp lands, that's where the new belly button's going.
Ebony and misogyny, they come together on this podcast in perfect harmony. Oh, no. We're just, let's just out here having fun. No big accomplishments, nothing to brag about. Just, coming to you live from our Super Bowl appearance, No
big deal.
Just me and Mero inside Meadowlands Stadium. That's right, I said Meadowlands Stadium. Yeah.
Or Giant Stadium.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. None of that MetLife.
The other team plays there sometimes. Whatever.
MetLife. That sounds like an insurance company or something. Get them out of here.
Yeah, it definitely is. Get him out of here. Snoopy sitting on a doghouse. What do you know? What does Snoopy know about insurance? Huh?
Relax. Snoopy is a vet. Remember, he shot down.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Thank you
That's
for your
right.
service,
Yeah.
Snoopy. Thank you for your service.
No stolen valor on that side. Shout out to Snoopy.
How come Snoopy was living a better life than Charlie Brown?
Yo, and it was foul because they made him sleep outside. He was an outside dog, but he was still somehow living better than Charlie Brown. He was getting more ass cheeks, probably.
Definitely.
Like he was Joe Cool. A lot of people don't remember that.
There was no one cooler growing up than Joe Cool. Like,
The Joe Cool.
The only person growing up cooler than Joe Cool was another Joe by the name of Camel.
Oh,
Joe
yes.
Motherfucking Camel.
Fucking Camel with the bogey out.
Smoking heavy with the Camel cigarettes.
You know what I'm saying?
Right?
With the sunglasses on at all times.
Okay. All right? They had one where he was in tuxedo getting bitches. Getting
out here.
Camel getting bitches, nigga?
You a Camel getting
Like-
bitches, bro. That man's out here knocking them down. It was him like sitting on the hood of a Porsche with like two joints, like
yo.
flanking him, like twerking at the same time.
People say Jay-Z looks like Joe Camel, but technically, if you really look at it, Joe Camel looks a lot like Joe Biden. Just throwing that out there.
Think about
See
it.
it in some of the photos. So,
You know what I'm saying? Open your third eye. You know what I'm saying?
Open your third eye. Let it gate. Make it open it. Let that big wave of moistness come over you. Like. Also, shout out to New York. We just had more snow. Well, the East Coast. We just had more snow.
Yes, it's terrible, dog, and that's why I am currently wearing a back brace or whatever the fuck. I feel like I'm wearing bulletproof
the
equipment.
Wash boys are back. He's got a bad ass back.
That's right,
You're at your
baby.
back shelf. You gotta use if you're really washed and you hurt yourself shoveling, you have two things you can do. You can either put icy on your back or you can go real hardcore with Tiger Bomb. So which one is it?
Yo, Tiger Bomb.
The rhythm and the rhythm of the bomb.
Tiger Bomb. Yo, Tiger Bomb will burn the first 3 layers of your skin off, B. That shit's
you'll
no
love it.
joke.
You'll love it
You're
because
like,
you're in such pain it feels refreshing. You're like, yeah.
You're like,
bro.
yo, it hurts more than the original injury. That means it's working.
Also, a reminder to everyone out there, if you really want to maximize your icy-hot experience, be sure to take a steaming hot shower. Make sure you get those pores real nice and open.
Oh, my
And
God.
before
You're
your
a
skin even
terrorist.
dries, just slather that bitch on.
You're a
just
terrorist.
A heavy coat. A heavy coat. Just put it everywhere.
Yo, you he needs some milk. You do shit like that, bro, you be rolling
That
on the
is-
floor like, ah!
Listen, that is a type of pain you do not want to experience. I hopped right
Fam.
back in the shower, and I was like, what the fuck?
What is this?
What
You
the
turn the
fuck
cold
is-
water on like, close the pores.
Close the pores. The gang, close the pores. One attack we can't take anymore. Also, all my blood cells have a New York accent, so you know. Oh my God, we're getting attacked by COVID in the leather regions, by the nipples. Close the ports. Come on, my guy, close the fucking ports. Oh my fucking God. He's got the pancreas. He's at the fucking pancreas.
Oh my
You fucking
God.
kidding me? Yo. Also, a reminder. After a private meeting between Mero, myself, and Victor, we want to remind people that being Bodega Hive is, now remember, this part is very important,
It's important.
considered a pre-existing condition. And if you are Bodega Hive, you are available to get the vaccine. Play this out loud at the vaccine site and dare them to
Facts.
stop you. Dare them to
If you
stop
get-
you. Okay.
If you get Bodega High tatted on your chest, they can't literally, by law, they cannot turn you away.
If you're in Jersey, you can get vaccinated right now.
Yeah, listen, if they say to you, why do you need to be vaccinated? You tell them, here's your 3 reasons. 1, we're all riding our own horses. Number 2, you can't be mailing niggas peanuts.
Not at
Number
all.
3, you can't just be printing out shit for niggas.
No.
Okay? They're going to be so confused, they're just going to let you go in. We spoke truth to power. They're going to be like, let him in. I think he's QAnon.
I think it's cute. They'll be back confused. Thinking like when you throw like a bottle of some shit and like Splinter Cell or Metal Gear, like the guards are just like, "Oh, what was that?"
Ooh.
They just walk away.
They're going to get an everyone at the vaccination center is going to get an exclamation point above their head.
They just go hide in the freezer with the vaccines. Like, yo, start eating them shits.
When was the last time? You know what? We need to bring. Listen, I'm gonna show my age here, bro. We need to bring back video games like that. When was the last video game you really like? Everything now is online and Battle Royale and Fortnite. Not that anything's wrong with Fortnite, because you know Fortnite is amazing, especially if you enjoy Fortnite. Verizon's ultra wideband 5G streaming experience.
That's right,
5G,
y'all.
so good.
Wow.
Mero, I was just playing using Verizon's 5G ultra wideband 5G experience, and I didn't have any latency or ping. I was getting so many elims, it was wild.
I was bugging out because when I saw you get that elim from all the way across the map, I was like, wow, we're in Weeping Woods, and he got a guy in sweaty sandcastles. That's amazing.
I quick scoped him across the map. It happened so fast I didn't even recognize. That never happened before until I switched to Verizon.
Verizon 5G ultra wideband.
Sellout boys, it's the sellout boys. They have no ethics. They only want to make their bank account fatter.
Ooh, baby.
And there's nothing wrong with that because we were broke a couple years ago. And if you were in our place, you do the same.
Oh, man. Y'all be doing worse. You be doing worse.
Listen. Also, I'm using that to announce our new partnership with Boar's Head Ham. That's right.
All right? Let's go.
Bodega Boys, and now you got to use our Bodega meats. Hey,
you know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa, yo. I only want to do that because I want to print up a mad t-shirts that say Bodega Meats. We have, like, yo, Bodega Meats delivered hot and girthy. Like, yeah,
hot
bro.
and girthy?
Yeah.
Speaking of hot and girthy, fucking headlines, dog.
That's our
you see that TMZ headline?
That could be our new mascot, Mr. Girth. Mr. Meats.
Girth?
Yes. Mr. Meats. He's like, yo, what's up, bro? He's just a hot dog with a hot dog with a Yankee fitted and some Timbs. Like, what's up?
What up? What's good,
up?
bro?
What's up? Y'all suck me?
Yeah, what up?
Yo, what's up? Put me in your mouth. Yo,
it's Bodega Meats, bro, aka Young Glizzy. What's up, bro?
Close your eyes so it's not weird. Like, there we go. We gotta make Mr. Meats like Black Bart Simpson. He's just gotta be everywhere. Everyone's gonna want to have like the shirts. Yeah, like, yo, Mr. Meats.
Yo, we gotta have Ray Liotta top him off in the first commercial.
Here we go. Make it official. Ideally, we'll make Mr. Meats the unofficial mascot for the Knicks. So it's like, yeah. It's like, Friday night. Yeah, bro, you know what it is. A beer and some salted meat in your mouth. Don't get better than that. Like, yo. And it's going to be a weird relationship where it's going to be the same relationship that M&Ms have, where they're always kind of like, they're like, we're human. We're actual people. But then they're like, oh, we'll eat each other. Like, it's no big deal. Yeah. It's whatever. So Mr. Meats, his whole thing is going to be like, yo, I'll hang with you or I want you to fucking eat me. It's whatever. However you feel, Dad.
Whatever you want to do. Like, use my holes. Yo. Use all my holes.
Yo, crack my shit, yo. Crack my shit.
Yo, I got natural casing, bro. You can hear the snap.
Yo, bro, you use your teeth and rip through my sausage casing. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yo, fam, this is horrible. That I'm even saying this out loud. I was watching Pino, and and Shorty is starlet, up and coming. You know what I'm saying? Usually you don't see a lot of wild stuff from those types of Pinot stars. And, she was just doing the toppy situation, and I was like, okay, cool. This is cool. This is regular. Okay. Top Pinot, regular. Why are you in the bathtub? Then she's just like, and Shorty's Australian. So she had the accent. And she's just all right. She's like, use all my house. Use my mouth like a piss tray. I was like, what the fuck is a piss tray? Before I finished that sentence, my man was just like, pissing in Shorty's mouth at an alarming rate with wild fuck. I was just like, yo, what is going on here? I was just like, and I'm still watching this shit like, you gonna pee? Like, no kink shaming.
What I'm waiting for like the kinky part because that's kind of like
so then I guess the kinky part is that Shorty took a mouthful of piss whatever and like let it overflow and like get everywhere, and then a homie leaned in and was just like I started tongue kissing Shorty, and you just see piss coming out the corners of their mouths like squirting out. I was just like, oh my god. I was like, yo, this is a lot. I was like, yo,
I have a great story about that, about an older woman in Washington Heights. And we are too far into this podcast, and we are too famous for me to repeat that. So, on this note, I will move on to the next trending topic. Oldsmobile. Oh.
Oldsmobile.
You know what it is, Oldsmobile. This podcast is sponsored by Oldsmobile. I drove in an Oldsmobile today to get to the studio. Mero, how was your Oldsmobile ride?
Oh, it was amazing. I have an Oldsmobile Intrigue, I think.
I'm going to blow your minds right now. Oldsmobile, hire us. We're rebranding. We're calling it the Youngsmobile. Whoa.
Oh.
We're getting all the millennials.
Boom.
Boo. Oldsmobile, that's for your father. Get the Youngmobile. Yeah,
Pow.
for the youngs.
Yo, we out here for the
that
youngsters.
For the youngsters.
And it's just all old models, but with like a drop top.
Even better.
Like
even better. Even better. We bring back the rap group, the Youngsters. Yeah, bro. Yeah. They're gonna be like, y'all was supposed to get younger, and you guys got the Youngsters. That was. They got
the youngsters. They're more like the oldsters now.
I'm like, oh yeah, they're the oldsters. Okay, could the oldsters? I don't know, still rock a crowd with I don't know, like, what do you think is like?
Grammatically correct.
Chad, listen to this guy.
Listen, I got something for you. I got music for you guys. Woo! Is this old? Is this whack? Sorry, kids.
Hip hop.
Whoa, sorry. I can't hear you over hip hop.
Real hip hop.
So I was thinking we'll put this on TikTok because kids will do the Megan the Challenge dance to it, right?
The head nod challenge.
They're like, no, get that out of here. Get that out of here. That was 1994. Wow.
God damn.
Wow. That was 50 years ago. Wow. Don't fact check my math. Any date you hear that is older than 2015 was 50 years ago. Just to be safe. Because if you don't say it was 50 years ago, you're going to expose your age. Because you'd be like, oh, that was 2000. That was like 10 years ago. That was not 10 years ago. That was like 40 years ago. So you just got to say it was 50 years ago. So people can't call you on it.
Straight up.
Because no one knows. People don't know time anymore. Time doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter.
Bro, time has not mattered since last March.
Yeah, it's true.
At the earliest.
It's true. Think about it. You don't really watch TV shows. Like, you'll catch them if they're on, except for our show, number one show and late. Like, there's Desus and Mero Showtime. But right. You just watch whatever on TV when it's there. It's on your schedule. You don't they're like, you gotta catch this at 8 o'clock on Tuesday. You're like, yo, fuck you.
Why? I ain't going nowhere.
I ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. You're supposed to be home.
I'm DVRing this shit because I found a Pinot where Shorty gets pissed in the mouth, and I'm kind of into it. So,
and that Crystal Killer 4K, like, yeah, bro.
Yo, that's the problem. I'm like, I didn't need to see this in 4K. I could 720 would have been fine for this.
Now, bro, you need to know how hydrated the person that's providing the liquid was. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, wow. Shorty got a mouthful of root beer. Wow, bro.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, bro.
Little cream soda, huh? Yo, we gotta like how the Yankees do Old Timers Day. We gotta do an Old Timers Day, like a Pinot Star Old Timers Day. I feel like we've talked about that.
We've talked about that, but it's just like, do they want to? A lot of them are like, yeah, could you not send this invite to my house because my husband knows nothing of this? Like, I have like moved away. I'm a Christian.
I retired in '92. I'm a realtor.
Yeah, bro. We're like, no, we want to give you like a special honor for your anal scene from like '96, bro. And she's like, I have 3 kids now.
That was like a you know what I'm saying? Like that was just,
like I had to move away from Atlanta to restart my life, and you just made it hot. Like, so, like,
I had to move away from Atlanta.
Like, Ma, you want in or not? Like, because I mean, like, we already got the studio rented. Like,
yo,
we're doing the COVID test, so like, I just need you to spit in my mouth and like, just
real quick, just coat the bottom. You gotta coat the bottom.
Yeah, it's like that's not enough. I need you to. Did you drink anything before this? No, there's nothing wrong with that. I just want to know like what flavor profile I should be looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. You're using like a You're using Colgate now. I could taste it. Okay, that's really refreshing.
Yeah. You know, I brush my teeth. You know, we brush my teeth.
They need us. There's too. I was about to say there's too many COVID tests, but it's just we don't know what the fuck we're doing. Like
No.
It's very sad. We've always watched movies. Like I was watching a movie the other day. Oh, okay. Listen, it's time for Media Desus. Da da da. This nigga be watching films. Da da da. Media Desus. All right. So this movie is called Little Fish. The weird part is it was filmed before COVID, but it's about a pandemic taking over America. And in it, people are wearing face masks and shit. So it's super weird. But over the course of and I'm not one, like, this is not a ruin, this is not a spoiler. In the pandemic, what happens is not like COVID, you catch this thing which makes you forget stuff. Which doesn't sound that bad, right? You're just like, oh, right. You forget, I'd be like, hey, Mero, who was his name? Remember that guy? He was the first baseman on the Yankees, Jason. And you're like, I don't remember. I don't remember. But no, it wasn't like that. Well, it's like people, like one of the scenes is like a lady, it was like a jogger and she forgot to stop running and she kept running for 2 days after the marathon ended and like whimsical stuff like that. At the beginning of it, everyone's like, ha ha ha, that's funny. And then there's like, oh no, this pilot forgot how to fly the plane mid-flight. And that's the new thing. Like planes are just crashing left and right. But the weird part about the movie is the government response. Like the government is mad, like organized and is getting centers set up and there's like army forcing people. Nah, nigga, nah. You can't ever do that in a movie anymore. We know the jig is up.
The jig is up.
And I will go even further. You know what it was? FEMA during Hurricane Katrina. FEMA came out. It was like, yo, we saving people. Yo, don't worry, the government got you. If anything ever happened, because you never heard of FEMA before that. No one ever heard of, unless you was like you were like a boat guy or something, or you lived on a coast. You never heard of FEMA. And I just find it a little funny. All those black people had American flags. You know what I'm saying, on the roof. Because if I gotta go on the roof with an American flag, I'm fucked. I'm gonna be on my American flag. I'm gonna be on there waving a polo shirt, like yo. Here's a Tommy Hilfiger shirt from '98. Like, is this acceptable?
I literally have. I don't think I have a single American flag in my house, dog. I'd be asked out. I'd be out there waving 6 Dominican flags, like yo, help,
bro.
They'd be like, oh, you're not picking English.
Nothing ruins a shirt. Nothing ruins a shirt right now than an American flag, because you'd be like, what the fuck is this? Because now all of a sudden, if you wear it outside, people are going to be like, you're either a Trump guy, you're a Proud Boy, you're a fucking 3%er, you're a oath, like some weird shit.
Oath keeper.
Or like if you go into a neighborhood and there's too many American flags, country club, shout out to you, you get nervous because you're just like, we're in America. What are you trying to tell me? Why are you guys, it's wild intimidating. They're like, yeah, America. You're like, yeah. Okay. And it's even different. I was gonna say it's different in ball games now. What the fuck am I talking? What's the last time I've been to a ball game? What's the last time I even? Listen.
Hey, we were at the Super Bowl. I mean,
we were,
really, but you know, our cardboard cutouts were there. Hey,
yeah, and that's why I need you to come back to the stadium. Mr. Meats begs you. I need you to come back in the stadium because I want to get back in there, sit next to you, and then hop in your mouth. You're like, again, what is he?
Come on.
What is that? Like, is he human? Is he your friend, or he wants to be?
No. Just put some mustard on me and call it a day.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Link me from head to toe.
Put some sauerkraut on me and call me daddy's whore. You're like, what the fuck is this? This can't. Yeah. This is for Nickelodeon.
Listen to me. I relish these moments.
I love it. I got one. Deep throat me in front of your wife. is that the same? Like, you know.
How's that feel? Huh?
We're still working on Mr. Meats. You know, he's an early prototype.
Listen, the Bodega Boys character universe is very robust. All right, you know what I'm saying? For every Spider-Man, there is a fucking Shockwave or whatever the fuck that nigga's name was.
There's a possibility now in the Time Crisis episode of Bodega Boys is Michael Anthony meets Mr. Meats, and they have to work together to free us. So.
You know what I'm saying?
You guys, when that animated special hits, you better order it off Amazon Prime. And I don't want to hear nothing about why is it $20. If it was available in the theater, you pay $20. Just because you're at your house watching don't be like, I'm not paying $20 because you would have had it. And I say that as someone who does this every time. I'm like, what the fuck? Amazon Prime wants $20 for a movie? I'm not paying that. What is this? This is stupid. Because if you pay $20 for a movie on Amazon Prime and it's trash, it hurts a lot more than if the movie was $1.99. And you know that. We all know that.
Oh,
and
yeah.
you watch it and you're more hypercritical. Now you start criticizing shit you didn't even care about. You're like, I don't like the audio balance. Nigga, you don't care about the audio balance. You were watching Willow last night, okay?
That was a horrible establishing shot. You're like, what the fuck?
Bro, what's the continuity?
Like, I didn't give a fuck about this shit. Yeah,
Her hair
exactly.
keeps changing every scene.
Yeah.
Yo.
That mug moved from that table to that table. Nobody saw that?
Oh. It's like
Disgusting.
all the...
It's not $20 worth of movie.
All the hype over Malcolm and Marie, which is basically... Malcolm and Marie is just basically every relationship you had in the early 2000s just in black and white. That's all it is. Just a lot of toxic yelling at each other outside of an open bar that's sponsored by Sparks. You gotta, you know, she saw you flirting with some other girl. Now she pushes you up against a Scion, and she's like cursing you out about the shit. Or you fighting a fucking down the hatch, like, you know, just old school. You having the wild breakup fight that ends up with a kiss in front of the Astor Place cube.
Yeah,
that's what that movie is. That movie, you want to know how specific that movie is? That movie reminds me of the time I was dating a girl. I ran into a girl inside the club. She worked for what was the name? Remember Jay-Z and Dave Dash had a vodka. Armandale. Shorty was like, yo, I'm a new brand rep for Armandale. We're having a party tomorrow. It's gonna be a big thing. Dame Dash gonna be there. Jay-Z's gonna be there. Let me get your number. I'll make sure you're on the list to get in. Boom. I'm in the middle of the club. Why, if I'm cheating, would I pull out my phone in the middle of the club in clear view of everyone to get this girl's information? That's called logic, right? I go back. Shorty is fucking through. She's through. She don't want to hear it. She starts hitting me. We have to leave the club because she's like, how are you going to play me in front of mad people and take that other girl's number? And I'm like, it's for Armandale, ma. Armandale. That's Hove's liquor. Come on. That's Eston Carter. All right? These are Scooby
I
shoes.
have dinner with Jay-Z.
Come on, ma. You hurting my net worth. Now, stop it. You pulling out my Express shirt. Like, yo.
Yo, fam, I had so many situations like that. It's disgusting. Like, fam, dating now is so different than it was back in. Yo, fam, I can't tell you how many times shorties would just, and I'm the type of dude that, like, my pops was like, yo, fam, if I ever hear that you put your hands on a woman, don't come home. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to fucking destroy you. So I was like, that nigga put the fear of God in me early. So I was just like, yo, shorties used to do whatever the fuck they want. Just slap a nigga up and shit. And I'm just like, they eating the slaps in front of pianos. Like, this is embarrassing. Like, you're embarrassing the shit out of me. Huh?
I was telling her,
damn.
I was like, yeah, when she would get mad, she would bite me. And my therapist was like, we should explore that. And I was like, what? I was like, she was smaller than me. What was I supposed to do there? Like, I'm supposed to hit her? Like, she got that. Like, and he was like, you were kind of abused. I was like, nah, I'm from the Bronx, bro. That's not a real thing.
Yo, facts. I'm like, yo, son. And it's funny because, like, my ex, she might fuck around and hit this shit. But, yo, she used to OD. Like close fist, duffy me in the chest. I'm like, yo, what are you doing? Like, you're 5'5". Like, you know I could earth you right now. I'm not going to.
The shorter they are, the more they get away with. And remember, it's because short women are closer to hell. So that's why they're so angry. They have a direct source. You know that, okay? You can't trust them. They're right there.
Yo, they showed it was a cancer. Literally.
Yeah, my therapist was like, why was she biting you? I was like, she was Jamaican. Like, that's what I can't get mad at that. Like, I kind of like that. You know? Like, at the time, I loved it. It was like, oh, hurt me. Wow. Anyway, enough with the trauma. Enough with the. Let's talk about something positive. What's going on positive in the world?
What's a positive thing? What's a good positive thing?
We should have a section of every podcast where we do just positive news.
Yeah, like how they do the evening news and they have like the fluff.
Yeah,
piece
how they always
where they show
end
like
on
the puppies
something
get
good.
rescued and shit. Yeah.
Like, this golden retriever carried the Moderna vaccine all the way home to his 85-year-old owners. However, they were dead from a forest fire, but at least the little guy tried. You're like, oh, you're like, that wasn't a happy story, y'all. We gotta have a news thing. It's like kind of happy stories. Like, yo, wow.
It's like, yo, NYPD only killed 6 people this year. I'm like,
hey,
yeah, hooray, yay. I guess.
It's like, find out these 2 twins who were reunited after being separated at birth, only to have the brother stab the sister to death. And you're like, What?
Oh, okay.
That's
not. Yeah, that was very Dick Wolfian.
Here's a story about a teacher that would not give up on her 5th grade student so much that she married him. You're like, oh,
yo, whatever happened to that dude? Yo, you know what's so wild? Like, I was thinking about that shit the other day, and like that was, I'm trying to remember, like, were we in high school when that happened? Like, when did that happen? The whole like Mary Kay Letourneau.
Yeah, that was in let me see, 97. She pled guilty in 97. Yeah. Oh, she died July 2020. Okay.
Oh shit.
Cancer. Yeah. Oh wow.
God damn. Wow. R.I.P. I think no. Maybe.
Probably no, because technically she's no better than Jared.
Rapist?
But we're giving the same disrespect we give to Jared, we have to give to her.
Yes, that's
still
right.
different. It's different when it's a woman, not because of us, but because of how society deems it. Because that's you know true. How it is on Twitter. If it's a guy does something to like females, it's like, kill him, whatever. But then if a woman does it, they're like, where were teachers like this when I was a kid? Like, it becomes, I don't know, like a popular song from, rock and roll, Hot for Teacher. Remember that? Yeah. All right. Am I on a high horse right now? No, I really don't. These things don't actually. I have no. I'm not like strong. Like, it's just weird. Here, you want to? Here's a Desus and Mero PSA. Teachers, don't touch your kids. Do. There you go. BX all day. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Desus Nice.
That's right. And I'm the kid Mero, and we're here to tell y'all educators, don't touch those kids. All right, you're BX. We out here.
Yo,
Holla.
that's not helping. That's not helping at all. We're doing that on a Zoom. We're doing that on a Zoom call with mad teachers. Like, yeah,
mad disinterested and shit. Like, we're looking at the phone. Like, yo, y'all be touching kids. Stop doing that shit. Yo, you saw this meme? Yo, I'm gonna send you that meme. Hold on.
I just turn on the camera. I'm just talking on camera. So I'm like, what? Nah, like what? Read it. Hold on, I gotta read this bullshit copy. Hold on, give me a second. Yo, what's up? Hey, teachers are lifeblood in New York City. Couldn't do nothing without y'all. Yada yada. Y'all do doing things about remote distancing is bad. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to y'all. Something. Yo, don't fucking touch the kids. Yo, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, holla, we out.
Oh wow, all of y'all are ugly. All right, we out. Peace.
Holla, peace.
Yo.
But wow,
I thought the Zoom was gonna be full of sexy teachers. Woo boy.
God damn, Dub City out here.
Woo.
Yeah, nah. I'm like, yo.
Maybe those kids got nothing to worry about. I mean, wow, you guys got faces that like scare away your dog. Yo,
honestly though, I don't ever remember having a teacher that I was like, God damn, I'll knock that shit down.
One of my shout out to
it was always like
my man G still remembers. One of our teachers was like banging one of our friends, and we were not impressed. It was like annoying. It got so weird because it was just like he would always be in her room, and so if we got there early, they would act weird, and we was like, we don't give a fuck. We do not care.
We know you smashing, bro. I don't care.
Like, do what you're doing. Like, niggas is just trying to get to class. Because what happened was that was back when if you didn't get to class within 5 minutes of the bell ringing, they locked their doors. So then if you was in the hallway, the guards would get you. But then we was like, we'll run away from the guards. There's nothing. So if we were like running around and then we had her class, you'd get there and the door was locked. And she was like, that's the rules. I gotta lock the door. And I was like, that's the rules? Because I know another rule you're not following, ma'am. And she was like, yo. So
shout to dude.
I was listen, like, yo, man. But I was about to say her name, and that's gonna make it super hot for her. But like, I don't know. She's probably not dead, but like, I you know what? I don't even know if it's like a true story. Like maybe no, it was really true story.
It was true story. You can tell by body language what's going down. You know what I'm saying? School is different. A lot of listen, man. Nothing surprises me from being in the New York City public school to working in one. Nothing. You could tell me, yo, son, I heard this story about and I'd be like, I totally believe it. I totally believe it. I've seen the wildest shit ever.
the underworld of schools, like people having sex in empty rooms, people
Yo.
kidnapping people for the whole day and extorting people to get their brother back. And they're like, yo, we got your brother locked up in one of the rooms in the building. Like, we might release him to you with some shit. Like,
now we're gonna just fuck him up. Like, yo, 150 motherfuckers from another school waiting outside of your school for the bell to ring and shit. Like,
you know what I'm saying? You made a wrong comment. Now there's mad Albanians in front of Herbert H. Lehman and people like Jesus. I think you and your boys need to leave through the back door. And I was like, nah, we ain't put. Oh wow. They're really big. Yikes. Are they all bald? Okay, we out of here.
Yeah, let's go. That guy has a tattoo on his face.
When you get to the White Castle, start running. Start running.
Just dive in the open window of the 42, like, yo, pew.
Yo, bury me at Westchester Square. Like, oh wow, like this is not Saving Private Ryan.
Yo. I used to hate going to work when that shit used to like passing Lehman, getting out, because high school kids are fucking terrorists on public transit. Now I have, having officially graduated to grumpy old man, I can say I can let my nuts hang and say, y'all teenagers are fucking terrorists on public transit. They come 20, 30 deep. Fighting, yelling, playing music from out of nowhere. Bluetooth speakers now used to be phones. Climbing in the back windows, all type of wild shit. I'm like, yo, I need to calm the fuck down. I'm like, sir, you were smoking angel dust on the bus when you were in high school, so
but it was fun.
Sit this one out.
It's fucking when you're in high school.
It was innocent.
It's high school. You don't know about repercussions. You don't know that every action has an equal and opposite, repercussion, and the shit is. Because I remember the time, when I got sent to England because we stole a car and pushed it down a hill in neutral. And it was a very inclined hill. And doing the math, like I passed by that spot the other day and I did the math and I was like, that car had to hit like 55 miles per hour easily going down that hill. And it just went downhill. It went through 3 intersections and crashed into another car. That could have easily killed somebody. And we thought it was the funniest shit ever. We thought that shit was and someone's car was like destroyed now. Someone else's car was destroyed. We laughed about it and went and did some other shit. Done and done. Don't even care. Probably ruined 2 people's lives. Could have murdered somebody. And then when my mother found out and was like, no, you're going to England because you're being bad. I was like, yo, you blowing shit out of proportion. You serious? I was like, I'm not even bad like that. But like,
all we did was steal a car.
Now imagine that car had hit someone and killed them, and I ended up going to jail for like 20 years for vehicular homicide because I pushed that car.
Oof.
Like, or even this always bothered me from test. Remember, like, allegedly, this is key. Allegedly, Agent Johnson in New York. Sometimes when people purchase illegal firearms, they like to fire them in the air to see if they work.
Yeah.
Those bullets have to come down. Correct?
Oh yeah. They come down with those. Massive amount of force.
They come down as hard as they go up. You never know. Like, what, No, I'm just saying.
Listen.
That'd be whack. That would be super whack.
I've thrown a penny off a skyscraper on class trips many times.
That was the name of my R&B album, Penny Off a Skyscraper. It was I had a song on the Love Jones soundtrack. It was called Baby.
Oh, that was you? That had the drummer Rashawn Patterson?
Yes, I had the song, the remix, Pubic Hairs and Croutons. And it was just that
was fire. That was a defining neo soul moment.
It was my unreleased album, Futon Music. I had a couple of tracks on there with Bilal. I had Rel from Rockefeller on there. I had an early appearance by Lizzo. She was rapping, which was amazing because she was a child. And it was just an amazing time. And it just did not get released. It just did not get released because I remember it was just like it was just something where I had some Nag Champa in the studio and it like burned out something and Steve Stout got mad and it was just like, and I had to beat up Nas and it was a big thing.
Oh, you hate to hear it. I was so looking forward to that single with Reese.
Remember, I had the knitted kufi. I was ready to go. I had my first performance was at the Blue Note in the Village.
That's right. I remember. Listen, you don't got to tell me. I was there. You had the sleeveless hoodie on. It was amazing.
it was amazing, and I had on a small T-shirt, even though I wear medium, so you could see my nipples, and it was a fantastic time.
Beautiful.
Remember
nipples,
when I got the band to change up the background for the enjoyment of the people when they would play the Beat Nuts song and everyone.
Oh yeah, that was like hip hop, right?
Get these watch niggas out of here! Like, shit, I was like, what happened? Oh, y'all don't want to hear nothing more about hip hop? They're like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Okay, all right, fine. Well, we'll talk. Which baby do you want us to talk about? The baby, little baby, baby Gunna? What? Which one?
Okay. It's just like people don't appreciate hip hop. Like you don't like. There's a pandemic going on, and you don't appreciate hip hop. Hip hop getting you through the pandemic.
Come on, B.
This is just how people are. People just like, oh, I don't need this. I don't need that. Like, fine. When it goes away, you're gonna be sick. You're gonna be sick, and you're gonna be like, why? Why did this happen? Think about it. That's what it's like with the bars. Remember, like people's like bars or restaurant. You took it for granted. You was like, oh, I'm. How many times people hit you up like, yo, you coming out tonight? Nah, I'm gonna stay. Who's gonna be there? I'm gonna stay in. Oh, yo, I'm gonna come out. Oh, I overslept. I missed the invite. Now look, now ain't no bars to go to. Ain't no parties to go to. Ain't no invites to go to. And why? Why? Because you didn't want to go. Because you wanted to be antisocial. Because you wanted to be one of those people who are, I don't know.
Come on, man. Why? Why?
Because you're in the mood.
Why?
Depression.
And I won't be a victim.
Always in the mood. Acting brand new.
Why you acting brand new? Come out to live. Do some bad coke in the basement.
Okay, we're investing in this song. This song should be number one, and we're going to make sure this song becomes number one. It's already starting to pop up on some of your TikTok channels. It's already starting to pop up on some of your Spotify playlists. We are riding 24K Golden to the roof. We are going to make Mood the number one song in America. I want you to play it for your coworkers. Every time you go into a Zoom window, I want you to play it. If you were fighting with your girl, look her right in the face and be like, why you always in the mood? I don't care what happens after that. If she breaks up, that's on her. But
that's her problem. She doesn't appreciate fine
we're pushing
music.
This. The same way on Reddit, Wall Street Bets push GameStop.
That's
the
right.
Bodega Boys are saying
push the 24K
to buy and hold a 24 Golden Mood. All right? What do we get out of it? Nothing. It is a song that will annoy the fuck out of you. But then it's that weird thing where like it goes from I hate the song, it's annoying, and you hear it, you're like, that's my shit, bro. That's my shit. That's my shit.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, turn the shit off. I mean, you go from turn the shit off to like not saying anything to
no, turn that shit up, bro. Turn that shit up, bro. I'm in the mood. It reminds me like coming after a Knicks game where like the Knicks did some close win and you're like got that buzz because you feels like they won the championship even though they beat the Bucks by 1 point on a Tuesday night, and now you just want to party. So now I'm at Foley's and I'm putting like $1 into like the fucking internet jukebox and I'm like, yo, bro, turn up. And everyone behind the bar was like, hey, we want to go home.
Hey, buddy, it's 3 a.m.
It's kind of raining. There's only you.
And
here.
It's raining.
No, it's not even 3 a.m. They're like, it's 10 a.m. It's 10 p.m. after a Knicks game. Like, it's just you here. I'm like, no, turn. Shots for everybody. They're like, you're the only person here. It's kind of sad.
Buddy, listen, got to tell you, there's only Super Bowl's over. There's only basketball, pal. Baseball hasn't started yet.
Bro.
You're the only person here.
Bro, there gotta be some basketball in China. Turn the TVs back on. Come on.
Yeah,
I'm not ready to go.
No, we're sorry.
Bro, matter of fact, I brought a fire
package.
stick. I brought a fire stick. Like, come on, bro.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna. Is it?
Bro, I can't leave. My friend's coming. Oh, there he is. Hey, Mr. Meats, you made it, Mr. Meats.
Hey, how you doing? How's everybody doing over here?
I brought my guy Johnny Cabasa over here. Johnny, say hello.
Oh, hello, my friend. Oh, how are you?
I think that was a poo from The Simpsons.
Was that? Okay, I gotta stop. Was that? All right. Okay. All right. Was that a poo? Was that?
That was my Polish accent. I don't know.
That was your Polish accent? That was like Bangladeshi. That was like straight. Yeah. That was very subcontinent, like Middle Asia. Okay. Johnny Cabasa, what happened to you? Johnny.
About to hit the fucking intervention crash. You're like,
Johnny Cabasa. You know, they call him Cabasa, right? Because of his cock. You're like, oh, yeah. That's kinda, bro.
Because it'll kielbasa your walls down. I'm like, what?
That's right,
that
bro.
doesn't even.
That's right.
What? Why?
They call my dick HGTV because all I do is remodel walls. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Come on, bro. All right?
You know what I'm saying?
Listen. So I was wondering if, like, you know, me and Mero could, like, you know, go property brothers on that ass and, you know, just like.
yeah, you know, do a little demo in there. Yeah.
They're like, what does that mean? They're like, oh, we're just gonna refinance your mortgage and walk away. They're like, that's not hot. I'm like,
yeah,
oh,
no.
bro, Make it higher. Make it
yeah,
higher. I like to see the numbers spin. Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, use Rocket
listen.
Mortgage, bro.
Me and Mero, we don't really know what we're doing. So listen, we refinance your mortgage. You got to pay it off in a year, and it's like $50,000 a month. But you should got. I mean, it's good.
But it's cool
credit,
though,
so.
you know, because then your credit score goes
At
up,
the end, you own
then
it.
you own the property.
Because we were thinking, like, why would you take 20 years to pay off the mortgage? Like, the faster the better, right? So we just decided if you make bigger payments, like, bing, bang, boom, you're done. You're out of you're clean and clear. So listen, the approximate value of your house we were seeing is like $600,000. So we decided we're just gonna make it 6 payments of $100,000. So you got that.
Yeah, I'm a guidance counselor. I make $55,000 a year.
Oh, no problem. So you got to do the estimated taxes. So that means you got to send some before. So it'll work out.
Okay.
They gotta go.
Are you
gotta
guys
go.
sure?
So good luck with your house. Good luck with your house.
Do you guys have any, like, can I see like your licenses, or do you guys
Wow,
have those?
Bro, I'm on TV. Like, why would I drive? Like, why would I take Ubers? Why would I have a license? Get the fuck out of here. Come on, bro. Come on, Mero.
No, you're right. Yeah, you're right. The brand is strong. Love you guys. Thanks.
Oh, wait. Oh, great. Oh, you know what?
Well, yes.
I'm gonna be honest here. I feel like me and Mero might have, you know, made your life a little difficult, might have made things difficult for you. We're the benevolent boys. So we're not gonna, like, just leave you high and dry. So
Oh my God. Oh no. You're gonna pay off my house? This is amazing.
Oh no, here's a Mr. Meats t-shirt, and he says, suck me off till I'm salty. So just, you know, feel free. It's limited edition. It's friends and family, so basically your family. So, you know.
Oh, thank
Smell
you.
the collar. It smells like meat. Yeah.
Oh, it does. Is this on purpose?
Yeah, we rubbed our foreskins on each one of the t-shirts to make it more
Wow. Okay. When you said meat, I didn't know. Okay. And
You know
dick
how, like, when
cheese,
they're like-
apparently.
they're like, yo, sign these book plates. I'm like, oh my God. Victor, never make us do this again. I'm on car 300. It's chafing down there, bro. I can't rub it anymore. Bro. Just in the kitchen drinking mad water, like, oh God, how many more of these? Wow. Come on, Mero. You didn't leave me any space to put my print. Come on, you took up the whole card.
Yo, I don't know what. Yo, I was tremendously smacked doing them shits. I thought I was doing an art project on every one of them shits. You could tell. Like,
Bro, because I'm, for those of you, so you know what? Because we like y'all to know what the fuck we're talking about. We're talking about if you bought our book, God Level Knowledge Arts, you know, New York Times bestseller, you from Strand, there were book plates, which were like signed stickers autographed by me and Mero. And Mero did them first, and then I did them secondly. And Mero, each one is different. Each one has different sayings. Some of them have death threats. Some of them have stock predictions. Some of them have predictions for sports event. I am not kidding. Mero was all over the place with this. It was fun to read. So be sure to look for those. If you don't have the book yet, that's kind of stupid because you're not going to know what's happening on February. I don't want to ruin it. You guys
don't
know.
even say it.
You guys know, all right?
Everybody think I have the
You guys
book
know what's
notes,
happening
but
on
you know.
February 11th. Okay. Chapter 6, we laid it down. Mr. Meats is here to tell you to wrap it up. All right? Make sure to cover your meats. But then,
Yo, Mr. Meats, come in. You got 14 grandchildren. You know why? Cause my shit be yanking, Mr. Meats.
you was using the meats. Hey, listen, Mr. Meats here to say, be sure, listen. Be sure to deep throat and swallow. Meats. Yeah.
That's right. I'm gonna do all that, Bobby. They call
Should we
me
make a new
Solita.
sexual position called the boar's head? Yeah.
The boar's head.
Yeah.
What's that slogan again? It's like
I was gonna say we answer to a higher authority. That's Hebrew
National.
Right?
Yeah. They got a goofy slogan too that fits right in with it. It's like some shit. Oh man.
Boar's head slogan is compromised elsewhere. Since when? That's been their slogan since 2012. But we got the old posters in the Bronx. We don't have like the new merch. We got the stuff from the 90s. So this is like Boar's Head. There's no other. Oh, it's high quality meat, right? It's like, because they're like, yo, don't go with the regular deli meats. Go with Boar's Head. And you're just like, whoa. I don't know any other meats. The only people advertising are Boar's Head. It's like,
is it?
Am I paying extra for this? Is this
like, you could just put a name on anything, and I'll be like, yo, it's not Boar's Head, so it's like automatically fancier because I've never heard of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could just call it, like, yo, you could motherfucking, Victor could come out with a line of deli meats that he's making in his crib tomorrow. And if he calls it, like, you know, Le Meat or some shit like that, I'm like, yo, this shit sound fancy. This shit got an umlaut in it.
Le Meat. That's the name. Listen, bro, that's the name of our new post-COVID strip club we're bringing back for the women's and the, you know, if you listen, if you like to see swinging meats, come to Le Meats, bro. Sponsor.
Yeah,
and you got like the Mr. Meats is on the logo, like, yeah, bro. Yeah. Also, we have Mr. Meats is a show me, Mero, and Victor have been developing. It's going to be the flagship show on our new streaming service. A reminder, we purchased a failing service, and you'll be able to watch this where? On the cock. That's right.
That's right, y'all.
That's right.
But the cock.
If the box was music television you control, the cock is just cock you control. So
yeah.
Yeah.
Play with your cock whenever you want.
Play with the cock on demand. All right. Listen, you play with the cock when you want to play with the cock, not the other way around. Yeah.
Yo, super
Yeah,
hot take.
bro.
The cable companies may have been right. You got the cock. You got HBO Max. You got Paramount Plus.
Yo, doesn't HBO have like two
Doesn't say one
streamers? It's
feed.
HBO Go and HBO Max?
There's HBO Go and HBO Max, yes, because
Or
one
did they
is
blend
for
them?
one is for standalone HBO people, and then one is if you're like in the package, which nothing blows your high when you click it and they're like, yo, watch this. They're like, hey, you want to watch this show? And you're like, oh yeah, finally, I could just watch this show.
Hell
They're
yeah.
like, hey, whoa, my man,
Hey, buddy, take it easy there, pal.
my man, whoa. I'm gonna need
I'm
the
trying
name
to
of your
watch this.
cable provider. I'm gonna need your account number. I'm gonna need the routing number
fuck.
on the last account payment. I'm gonna need your social security number. I'm gonna need your mother's maiden name. And now I'm gonna need you to turn this TV off. And there's gonna be a code on the TV. Now go to this website and type in the code from the TV. And I need you to link it to it. And it's not gonna work on the first try. You're gonna be flustered. But hey, and guess what? Your show started 10 minutes ago. And you can't restart.
Fuck. I can't restart it. Why am I doing 10 captures?
Whoa, because I trust you. Just because you give me money to watch TV, I'm supposed to trust
I'm
you
not a
not to
bot.
bootleg this? Get the fuck
I'm not
out
a
of here,
bot.
you scum. Okay, I don't trust you. You guys here to rob me of my precious X-Men and my precious ER episodes. So you know what? I'm not trusting you. Matter of fact, I'm degrading your quality of your stream. You know, enough is enough.
No, stop, please. Look, all these are headlights. I clicked all the headlights in the picture. Why are you telling me I'm wrong? The show's about to be over.
Wait,
I want to see
all
what
those are
happens to
headlights?
Lawrence.
Look at the lower right-hand corner. Huh? You see that little speck? That's a car.
that a light?
That's a car. Yeah, you didn't see the car, you bot.
Oh, wow. No, I'm sorry. I'm just a normal human being with eyes.
Yeah, we don't care. Get out of here.
Wow.
Get out of here with all that seeing. Who are you, seer?
Wow.
Get out of here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great sense of humor, fucking HBO Max.
Yeah, I can't hear you over all the people enjoying my content, so sucks for you. Ha. Matter of fact, I got a new streaming service for you. It's called HBO Min, okay? Because you're getting the minimum HBO, which is none. Beat it. That's how we need to have streaming services talk to you like that. They'd be like, hey, you want to join Disney? What if, like, imagine if Disney Plus, you had to get selected. You could only watch Disney Plus if you got recommended by another person that already had Disney Plus.
On some Clubhouse shit? You need an invite for Disney Plus? Ooh,
Do you understand how much money they would make if like everyone was
Yo.
watching a show and you was like begging people? You was like, ooh, I don't know if you'd even enjoy. That's not really your level. Like,
I mean, if you got, you got a couple of dollars.
even better, if the person you invite, this is our new policy on the cock. If you use your invite to invite someone to the cock, and we catch them on social media talking bad about the cock, you're both banned for life.
That's right. No bad cock reports.
No bad cock
You know what I'm
reports. No BDRs.
Only
no bad
high
dick reports.
quality.
No bad cock reports. All right? All right? You got to hold the cock in the highest regard. Okay? You got to worship the cock.
That just made me think of that 50 Cent line where he's like, I fucked the whack bitch. She said I had a little dick. She had a big pussy. Real big, kid. I was like, yo, what was the point? Why did you say that? What? You sat down and you wrote that?
I mean, listen, we let 50 get away with a lot of stuff. Remember he said, I love
A
you like
lot
a
of
fat
shit.
kid loves cake?
Yeah.
But in order to say that, one of 50's best lines ever, if you look back, was pretty terrible. We got guns the size of little Bow Wow. Like,
Yeah.
at the time, he was like, yeah.
Yo,
Like,
that's a
all
big
right,
ass gun.
Relax. That's a big ass gun. If he had been like, I got guns the size of Chad, he'd be like, nah, I don't.
Nah, man. That ain't it. That is not it. 50 should have just been like, yo, Lloyd, write all my shit, please.
I gotta make my new line. Like, yo, I got guns that make you jump like JoJo Silva. They're like, oh.
Oh. Shoot your JoJo, shoot you right in your JoJo bow.
Like, yo.
Broke ass hoe. Like what? Oh shit.
They're like, you just called JoJo a broke ass hoe? It's like, no, I was talking about.
No, I was talking about y'all. I'm gonna shoot your JoJo bow if you don't.
I was talking about, I would never insult JoJo Silva. I was talking about my listeners. My listeners, these broke ass niggas that be buying my shit. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
These
saying?
broke-ass, go nowhere niggas.
Broke ass
Got
niggas.
nothing going on in they fucking life.
Look at me shining, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Like, they gotta
Stacking
be
money.
aspirational because they know their life ain't gonna go nowhere. So I
You know
gotta
what I
tell them
mean?
what it's like to
I-
be successful
shit.
because these niggas is losers.
Show these
like,
niggas how to
low-key.
win.
Only thing keeping these people from killing themselves low key is my music, and I realized that. And that's on me because
Word.
you know what I'm saying, just the other day I had to get the Ferragamo loafers, from Birkenstock, and they was like $3,700 and it was just like,
Okay.
I was like, if I get these, would my followers feel some kind of way? Because I know it's a pandemic and a lot of them can't pay bills, but at the same time it was like, you know what, the fact that my fans are that broke hurts me, so it brings me down, it makes me sad. So I have to do something for myself. So that's why I bought these Birkenstocks, okay? These are in solidarity with all my listeners. Like, you might not have the $37,000 for the sandals, but y'all can live vicariously through me. You know what I mean? So, like, if your landlord's like, yo, where's that rent? You be like, yo, I don't got it. But you know what? Show them this picture of the sandals. Be like, yo, look at the drip. And that's how I'm giving back. So, that's why the collaboration. I got the special Birkenstocks coming out with Mr. Meats. It's going to be good. Meats on the
That's
feet.
gonna be incredible. Can't
It's
wait.
great. So, it's going to be great. Just sucking on the meat, one meats at a time. Just the tube steaks. That's what happens.
Oh, we got a caller calling in who wants to speak to you. Let's see here. Caller?
Oh yeah. I love
Yeah.
the call. What's up?
Yo, what's up, yo? You my favorite artist, yo. But I'm homeless now, yo, because I tried to show my landlord a picture of you with the drip, and he was like, "Papi, I don't give a shit about you rapper friend." So like, you know what I mean? Like, can I move in with you? Like, I can roll your L's, I clean up and shit like that.
This is what I'm talking about the fans, man. It's like wild stressful. Cause it's just like I gotta be explaining shit to them. Like, yo, my man, you still on the phone? Hello, you there?
Yeah, what's up, y'all? I fucks with you heavy, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've been banging with you since you was like doing mixtapes, my guy.
Yeah. I need you to be quiet because it really bothers me that some broke ass niggas following me as a fan of me. But
Wow.
like, listen, like, I think it's the problem in society how it's portrayed you and how it's played you and made you see things. Because like right now you're like, I'm homeless. It's not that. See, originally there was a dash in there. You're homeless. Like, you're less of a home. You don't need a home. Now you're free to travel.
Oh,
You know
shit.
what I'm saying? You don't have the burden of a house with like possessions and rent and things like that hold you down. Now, you know what I'm saying? You upgraded. You on the next level. Now you free to follow your true passion. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And by true passion, I mean I need you to follow me on Clubhouse. And also, I'm going to need you to follow me because I got this residual income thing. Link in the bio. Be sure to check that out. What we're doing, we're buying and reselling used hot dogs. Because what happens a lot of times, if you go to Nathan's, the children, you know what I'm saying, they don't finish the hot dogs. Why should Nathan throw away the full hot dog? We could just bring, we take 2 halves of hot dog. That's a full hot dog there, baby. So, we just going to do that right there. And that's how we get the money. So, you know what I'm saying? So basically what I'm saying is, sorry for your situation. I hope things get better. Fuck you for being broken. Yo, buy my album. Wow, I'm out.
Yo, I appreciate you, King. Yo, thank you for this knowledge. Yo, see? That's what I'm talking about. People talking about, yo, would you rather have $1 million or have, you know what I'm saying, somebody drop jewels like you just dropped on me? I appreciate you. Yo, I appreciate you, brother. Yo, listen, I'm going to sleep outside and die of hypothermia, yo, but I bangs with your shit. You heard?
There you go. Listen,
Holla.
you rather die struggling in the cold than live comfortably in the warmth. All right, remember that. Hope that doesn't go over your head.
Word. Peace, God.
Okay, peace, God. All right. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to do something for people. You know what I'm saying? Yo, also, like, you know, if you got kids and, like, you can't find a way to feed them, like, yo, like, that's on them, really. Like, you know.
Yo, them niggas ain't grinding. You know what I'm saying?
Like, right.
They supposed to wake up on a grizzly.
Where, mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, I'm hungry. Well, I got a mommy. You see me asking my mommy for food?
My mom?
No, I'm out here standing 2 feet
That's
deep
right.
in the streets, all right? Got my own food, okay?
Talk about it.
Ooh, I just came out the womb. I can't provide for myself. You provided for yourself for 9 months inside the womb. What changed, huh?
How'd
I'll
you
tell
do
what
it?
changed.
How'd you do it?
Now you don't, because now you're not in the water. You don't believe in yourself. You need to believe in yourself. This is our new clubhouse room, and we do inspirational talks to newborns on how to get money.
That's right.
All right?
Pow.
Okay?
Yo,
From
listen,
the
bro.
neonatal unit to the LLC. All right, we're gonna
Let's
teach you how
go.
to get this income, get this bread.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Let me tell you something.
All right. First
Y'all
of
need
all,
to-
a lot of y'all are making. You know what it is, Mero? A lot of these kids, these babies are making bad investments because they still got the fucking snot plug in their nose. Like,
That's
how you gonna
it.
pick good? How you gonna pick a good stock? You're not even breathing properly. Grow up.
Come on, son.
Ridiculous.
Come on, man. You ain't
All
even
right.
open your eyes yet. You already fumbling the bag, bro.
Okay. Now
Fuck.
a lot of y'all, you're just like, oh, I'm a baby, I'm a cute. No, you stupid. And I say that with love. You know why? Because you left one of the greatest sources of income for investment right behind you when you came out that womb. Where's
That's
your
right.
placenta? Huh?
Where's it at?
Where's your placenta?
Where's it
That's
at?
basically
You could have sold that
Bitcoin.
for bank.
That's stem cells. That's blood tracing. You can make
Come
that
on.
into a nice omelet on a good Saturday after a night
feel
in the
me?
club. And you let the doctor take you. You let the doctor take that from you the same way the U.S. government takes taxes away from people who are trying to start small businesses.
Preach.
Okay? So next
Preach.
time you come out the womb, be sure to get a placenta. Or if you really about it, go get a placenta right now. Matter of fact, what we try to do, we try to get babies to get other babies to sign up underneath them to donate their placentas. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
So you just gotta get a placenta chain going, and that's how you get that residual income. And
You build your network. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta do is just build that network.
see, y'all not even listening. Y'all not even listening because you're like, oh, build your network. I heard this before. Think about this, like Mero just said, build your network.
Mm-hmm.
Build your network. What's the name of the cord that connects you to your mother? Umbilical. Umbilical.
Think about it.
Umbilical.
Umbilical.
Unbillable. You know why? Because your hours are not billable because you a self-employed entrepreneur. All right? You don't got to worry about no 1040.
You your
own
own boss.
business. Who wants residual income in here? Like,
No,
Desus,
we don't
you need
pay
to get the fuck out the
$60
NATO. You're not wearing a mask. Get away from those babies. I was like, the mask covers the financial information I'm telling them. I'm not going to do that.
That's right.
Also, it's a pandemic. So
They
come
need
on.
to yell facts. You know what I'm saying? They need to
Alright.
get this. They need to get these jewels straight from the source.
They can't hear us. They got baby ears. So, I mean, come on. Work with us. That's right. Shout out to all my babies that out there scamming. Babies do scam. You know that.
Shut those
You know
scamming
that.
babies.
You never had a baby cry and they were just crying to get you to come into the room? You're like,
That's baby scam.
see?
Babies
Baby
will
scam.
manipulate you. They will manipulate you through crying after the age of like 2. You know what I'm saying?
Babies manipulate emotions and currency. And no one wants to talk about that. That was something Hillary was running on, and Trump was just like, no, we're not even, because he was cool with China.
We're not even going to
But
address that. Yeah.
babies are the number one manipulators of Chinese currency.
They invented pump and dump. They invented
It is.
pump and dump, fam. Anytime that, you know what I'm saying, they was trying to be like, yo, I want to breastfeed, yo, yo, you just had a margarita though? Nah, time to
See
pump
it?
and dump,
Pump
bitch.
and dump. Pump and
You know what
dump.
I'm saying?
You see that?
Like-
You see that?
Terrible. You know what I'm saying?
Tummy time? Tummy time? You know what that is? Tummy time? That's it. Put your baby on the ground so you get closer to the devil? No, we're not falling for that. Nope. No. How about some heaven time? How about some Jehovah time?
That's right. Put them up
Hold 'em
on
to
a
the
very
light.
high surface.
Yes.
Yes. Put them on a ceiling fan. You feel me? Turn that shit
right.
on. Let them spin around and feel the Lord's energy.
All my Jamaicans, when they do tummy time, they put knee pads on the baby and they're like, "Here's a little spackle, just get the padding going right there." Oh, look at why are the tiles crisscross? I'm like, I'm 2. Like, why am I? Wait, I gotta do this whole building? What the fuck? Like,
Yo,
my
no,
father's like, yeah.
yo, you're wilding. I don't even know. I don't even have a plumb bob.
just 3 years old taking a union, like, yeah, I gotta
Smoking
take
a
my
wild
wife to the
bogey,
lake
like-
this
Yeah, well, you know.
I'm taking my wife to the Poconos. You know, that's our anniversary. You know.
Yeah.
So I take
You been up there before?
Now I seen like the the fucking the ad on like the fucking
let me tell
TV,
you something.
You know what?
Mount Airy Lodge, pal. That's the place.
Oh, I seen that. They got the fucking hot tub that looks like a fucking
Like a
champagne glass. Yeah,
That's right, pal.
Listen.
You know? Listen, my 15's almost up, but fuck these guys because I'm union. Mount Airy Lodge is the place. If you want to knock the
I'm not
walls
even
off your
going back
off your old
on- I
lady,
between me and you, I've got a terrible case of colic, so I'm not even going back on the site, bro. Like, fuck this.
yeah.
Yo, I mean, not to be weird, you got something I could like bite on? I'm teething something terrible, bro.
Oh yeah, I got let me see here. I got what do you need? I got a little I got some whiskey
You got, like
here.
you got like a frozen waffle or maybe some Ray and Nephews. Like,
Oh yeah,
this
no, I
shit
got a
is
pack of
fucking
frozen Eggo waffles right here, pal. Here you go.
Good looks,
There you go.
bro. Good looks.
Chew
I
on
got
that.
you next
Yeah.
go. I got you on payday, bro. All right,
Yeah,
I got you on
appreciate you,
payday.
bro. Appreciate you, bro.
All right,
listen.
bro. I'm gonna turn around.
I'm getting some pull-ups. I'm running low on pull-ups. If you got a couple at the crib, you could spare.
I got
the
you,
literal
bro.
crib.
Listen, bro. I don't really understand how the world works and like the whole spatial relationship between things when I close my eyes. So I'm gonna turn my back and I'm gonna forget you exist. So all right, I'll see you.
Yeah, me too. That's wild how that happens.
Bye.
All right,
Hey,
bye.
Hey, it's
Bye.
a living. I'll see you.
All right. See you tomorrow. I won't know who you are though. Bye.
Everyone's like, we want this show. We want union babies coming to
Union
CBS.
babies?
Like, yo,
Union
union babies
babies.
available on Paramount Plus. Like, yo,
Yo, let's go.
wow.
It's just
bro.
us, our heads superimposed on baby bodies with the full beards
Jesus.
and the
Hey,
hats.
Mero. Mero, what the fuck?
What's
Hasan
going on?
and Victor, you got to cancel the fucking podcast. We got the union meeting tonight. We're working on
fuck.
Hudson Yards too. Come on,
Oh
bro.
shit! Oh yeah! Fuck!
jeez.
All right, I'll put it. I'll put it in the text.
God,
All right,
bro. What the fuck,
Wait,
bro?
listen. You're on coffee tomorrow, dude. Don't forget.
I'm not gonna forget. Why would I forget? Because I'm a baby. Because when I close my eyes, I forget everything. Like,
Yeah. I mean, I forgot last week, and I got pow pow for it. So I don't want you to get pow pow. You're my guy.
Bro, come on, bro. I'm the number one foreman here. Like, I'm gonna get pop. Oh shit, keys. He's shaking keys.
Oh, he's
shit.
shaking.
Oh,
What's
shit.
that?
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
they're so cool.
Oh, I'm just gonna.
How do they
for a
jingle
minute,
like
bro.
that? Yeah.
Wow.
How do they jingle like that?
Bro, I can't look away. It's like fucking drugs, bro. Like,
Whoa.
Jesus.
They- it's like captivating, bro.
Bro, this is like the weekend concert. My father was watching the Super Bowl.
Holy shit.
Like, I don't know what I can't feel my face means, but I can't feel my, I
Yeah.
can't feel my face. Well, also because
I
I really
can't.
don't know my body yet. Like,
Yeah, I mean, I literally can't feel my face. I can't make my hands touch my face of my own volition.
Bro, I'm so happy right now. I think I'm just gonna stomp one foot repeatedly, just not in any reason.
Yeah.
Just stomp it in place. Like, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, that's
Matter
awesome.
of fact,
Yo,
bro, I'm
can
having
you
so
do me
much
a
fun.
favor?
I'm just gonna run face first into the couch and then laugh it off
awesome.
because I'm a baby. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Do me a favor. Can you take my scratch mittens off so I can scratch the shit out of myself
Oh, yeah,
unintentionally?
bro. Let's go.
Thank
bro.
you.
Let's get wild
Fuck,
tonight.
that hurts. It looks great. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yo, I got. Hey, listen. Hey, that time of the night, I got some. Got a little pouch here. Some raw Similac, bro. It's not cut
shit,
with
bro.
anything. Yeah.
Bro, shit.
You do a couple of lines.
Bro, they keep the shot locked up in the supermarket. Like,
Yeah, you know why? Because it's that raw, bro.
listen, bro, I've been 3 weeks clean, but only because I'm 2 weeks old. Yeah, fucking
Let's
go,
do
bro.
it.
Let's go.
Union Babies is filmed in front of a live studio audience.
And we're in the meeting, so we're like, yeah, and that's union babies. So they're like, so the babies have a drug problem and they're construction workers. And you want us to green like this? We're like, yeah, bro. Like, we were thinking like 2 million each. Like,
Yeah, easy.
like also, if you got like a baby you want to throw in, we'll take that too. Like, it's
Well, we can do whatever you want. You know what I'm saying?
say what you want. It sounds like a terrible idea. I guarantee you we clean up at the Golden Globes. You know the fucking vibe.
Easy.
Yeah.
They made an emoji movie, fam. Like,
Even
don't
better?
talk to us about pictures.
You cowards at Netflix and use our fucking construction union babies because they're doing work on the Eiffel Tower and they have to run into Emily in Paris. Yeah, go.
Oh shit,
Yo, bro, that's that chick. She moved here from America. She doesn't speak.
She's from
French.
America, bro.
Oh la la, oui oui. Bro,
Bonbons and all that good stuff.
they're like, are you getting street harassed by hey, I like to breastfeed. You know what I'm saying? With your
Hey, listen.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? I like it. I like a nice can.
Hey, ma, these are pull-ups. You want to see? Hey, get over here, sweet cheeks. Yeah.
Listen, I gotta wear active baby diapers, if you know what I mean, because I'm
Tell 'em.
active.
You tell them. Hey,
Yeah.
ma, I want to share my applesauce with you. I don't even know what that means, but it sounds.
Yeah.
You know.
I want to squeeze your pouch. You know?
Yeah. Hey, ma. I want to get really cranky and fight, and then take a nap.
Yeah. I want to get really cranky with you and then fall asleep right on the floor. How does that sound, babe?
I want to fight with you when you try to feed me food, and I don't want a food that you're trying to feed me, and I don't like eat French fries for like 3 months, and it makes me go to the doctor. Yeah.
Yeah. You're like, oh, he only wants to eat nuggets and fries. What do I do? And you're like, the doctor's just like, fuck it, your baby has swag. He's a union baby. He's a worker.
Listen, he thinks outside the box. Yeah.
He's an earner.
Guess what? Emily and Pat, guess what? I don't learn any other words, but I heard my father say like a homophobic slur, so now I'm just gonna say it all the time, especially when we're in Target. So
Woo!
let's
Can't
go.
wait.
It's gonna be fun. Let's go. That's how it works. Your kids never hear you be like, "Hey," then your kids are never like, "I'm gonna keep saying beautiful over and over. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Nah.
You're beautiful." Nope.
Nah.
Nope.
It's always fuck. Shout out to
Like,
Bodega Boys for not having
take him out, dead. Your gun is only for a wall. Oh, no, Johnny.
I'm like, how do you know all the words to Shifty? What the fuck is wrong with you? You're 6 months old.
It's like hip hop, bro.
Yeah, real hip hop. I'm a real hip hop baby.
Hip hop. That's it.
Niggas be talking. Oh shit, let me find out the Xbox remote. Hey, PS4 charger works. Hey, let's go.
Wait, you got a PS4, bro? That's so gay. Like, why would you have that? Remember that? Remember people in school be like, "You have this? That's gay." It's like,
yeah. Like,
and then meanwhile, the kid at the end of the table was like, "I don't have any video games or parents. Like, can I come over to your house?"
No, that's gay.
That's gay.
like what? Why is everything gay? Why? No, it's not.
There's a point in when you're a young boy, everything is either gay or like, yeah, everything that's gay. Yo,
bro,
look, it's just mad homophobic slurs.
Oh yeah, two big problematic words that young boys love to use are gay and retarded. That's gay.
Retarded.
That's retarded.
You're retarded.
Top
You're
two.
Slow. Yep. That's gay. That's retarded. It's like, and it's weird because as you become older, even as you not becoming more woke, just becoming a human, spending time around people, you'll hear adults use these phrases, and you're just like, are you serious? You really just said that? And it's lost on them. They're like, there's nothing wrong with this phrase. But in your head, because you've evolved past that, it's so fucking loud and shocking when you hear a person say that. It's like, even on Twitter, listen, we are not perfect on this podcast, but we do watch ableist language on this. We're always aware of it. We try to catch
Always
ourselves.
trying.
Every now and then we'll get super excited. We'll let a crazy slip or whatever. But we tend to catch ourselves. But I always see like
That's a fact.
people on Twitter, they're like, that's lame. That's lame. And it's just like, yo, fam, that's like the easiest word not to. That's a word that even sounds wrong, right? Like, in what context of every day-to-day life would you use lame other than an injury?
There's so many like there's better word. I feel like there's better, more impactful word. Like I love bozo. I love goofy.
Yeah, clown.
Like they hit so much harder. You know what I'm saying?
But then
it's
also,
just like,
yeah, who was saying lame? Wasn't lame from like the 50s and shit? Like, wasn't they saying it like on Beach Boy records? You niggas was surfing and shit. Like you in 20, like you're cool because you're saying the same shit. The fucking 2 girls for every guy. That's your king. That's your king. Get out of here. Go
your
surf
source of
somewhere. Like literally, if the
you
term
niggas
you're
think
using,
Brian Wilson is cool?
if the term you're using could possibly have been in a tweet Trump sent out in the last 4 years, that ain't it, boss. That ain't it. All right? Because he's always like lamestream media. Like the first time someone said that, someone in the audience should have been like,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
it's not good.
I'm out of here.
It's not good. It's a mainstream meat. Come on, bro.
Yeah, that and libtard.
How did that even like?
Who put that together?
That's the other thing. The worst nicknames, like they get traction in America. And listen, this is me talking about high horse. I'm not talking for Mero, but he's probably feel the same way. As people who actually take an effort to be funny, to see people laughing at just like such low effort shit,
Corny,
and not
the
only
worst
just
shit.
laughing at it, devouring it, loving that shit, slopping around like a pig in slop, buying a T-shirt with it, changing their Twitter name to it. Remember when Trump tweeted out Covfefe?
Yo,
I know people who
Oh my
people
God.
got that as a license plate. People changed their name to like the Covfefe King. There are people still on Twitter right now who got Covfefe in their fucking Twitter bio. Why?
Yo.
Why?
Why?
Explain.
Why? That's
just
a 30-second joke at best. That's a throwaway
At
joke.
best.
Fam, did we even do a joke about that shit on here? Like I don't even
Probably
remember.
did a throwaway, but it wasn't like the thing with us. We'd be like, yo, he said this, quick joke, boom, bang, bang. Next thing. Other people was like, yo, coming to you live from the Covfefe Arena. Here's the Covfefe dancers, Covfefe dance. And you're just like, what the f?
Bruh.
They do a half-hour special about the shit. You're like, whoa.
Like, fam, this cow's been dead for 10 years and you're milking it. Like, chill.
Yeah. I mean, there's other things you can do to a dead cow. I mean, if you want to really just, you know.
I mean, yeah, you know. On the next Union Babies.
Mr. Meats, what are you doing behind that cow? Trying to wake them up.
Getting right.
Just trying to.
Giving a cow a beef injection, see if it brings it back.
Exactly, bro. They call it a Slim Jim, but mine's not. So, I mean, we're just trying to, just like,
Yeah. Oh, God.
Also, a reminder, if you are, unless you work security, you're a mechanic, or you're like a hunter in the field, if you eat Slim Jim, you are going to end up on a sex offender list. I'm sorry.
Oh, 1,000,000%.
There's no reason. There's no reason.
What was the reason?
Why you
That's
eating
what
Slim
I'm
Jim?
I'm gonna just run up on niggas eating Slim Jims and be like, what was the reason? Oh, some extreme
he
Cardi B energy.
He likes smoky dry meats. Wow.
Okay. Fam, that's dehydrated, stabilized. Like, every chemical on earth is in that shit, bro. Like,
That's
like
just
that shit
Mr.
is the
Meats
opposite
after
of
a
health.
drink. That's just Mr. Meats after a night of drinking. He's like, bro,
Yeah,
bro.
You got a Gatorade, bro? Bro, bring me some
my mouth's so
Pedialyte,
dry,
bro.
Bro. My mouth is so fucking dry, bro. I can't get my day started.
Niggas spitting cotton balls, like, bro.
Like, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Bro,
Bro.
fuck it. I need some hair on the dog. Gotta get right, bro. Matter of
Fuck,
fact,
bro.
give me a Denzel special. Give me a line and a blunt.
Yeah, bro.
Also, a reminder,
Bro, somehow.
if
Be a
you
Bloody
drink
Mary.
too much, this information is for people who are super spreading, because let's keep it funky. Not everyone listening to this podcast is doing the right thing. Some of you are not double.
Yeah.
Some of y'all are double masking. Some of y'all are double fisting. Okay, there's a big disconnect
Yeah.
between the communities.
Some of y'all are double penetrating.
Exactly. But if you want to be safe, the best way to consume liquor in a club to not get COVID, this is key. Remember, shot, slam a beer, line of Coke,
Yep.
puff from a blunt.
That's it.
There you go. Right there. Your
COVID.
body, too much will be going. It's like when you go to a
Yeah.
club and it's like swamped and security doesn't know what's going on. You
Yep.
got too much going on. And when COVID tries to come in, your body's going to be like, yo, big man, we at capacity.
Yo, we have capacity right now. We gotta wait for some
good.
people to leave before you let you in. You know what I'm saying? Right now, it's
COVID's going to be like,
hectic
nah,
in
my
there.
man's in there. I know somebody. Yo, COVID. I need you back up.
I'm gonna need you to
Yo,
chill.
yo, COVID. Yo, big man. Yo, COVID. I can't. 1, 2, 3. I can't let all 19 of y'all in here.
Big man,
That's not happening. It's not Dougie.
big man. You came over here with a lot of RNA and no bitches. So
Wait a
listen,
minute,
man. I don't think you. I
This
think
is
you're not getting in.
19 dudes? Y'all serious? Yo, let me talk to you in the corner. Like, yo, man,
Come in.
my man, you making it difficult. Like, I would love to let you in right now. I know you're a real nigga. I respect what you're doing. I see the chains. I see the money. I know you're gonna spend money. However, yeah, not really. Like, look over there. I got the fucking Los Angeles variant over there. I just let the London variant in. Okay, I can't. My boy,
But I'm from New York.
In,
I'm from New York.
saying, like, yo, my man, I respect that. I need you back
I'm
up.
the OG. I'm the OG.
I know you're the OG. I respect that. I respect everything you do. I respect everything you bring to the community. I respect everything you do.
Come on, man. You know me, man. I've been outside. I've been outside, bro.
Let me speak this. You've been outside. I see. Listen, my man, I'm not arguing. Your numbers, ain't nobody doing it like you. All right? You triple
Talk to these niggas, though.
I see. My nigga. What
Talk
you done
to
for
your
mass
mans.
sales? What you done for destroying families? What you done for
I'm
Zoom?
out here.
I respect you. I'll bang with you. You know what
Come
I'm saying?
on,
I know
man.
No days off. Okay? While they
You
sleep,
know what I
grind.
do.
I see you.
You know
right
what
here.
I do.
I'm just saying. Like, oh man, well up to me. You know what I'm saying? Bottles on the house. Free hookah. I got you. I respect.
I appreciate you,
everything
bro. I appreciate you.
But you know what I'm saying? Like, number one, you're not like my man. Like the dress code. What's all those little red spores? Like,
I mean, it's fashion, my nigga. It's fashion. This is Rap Simmons.
My man, that's gang shit. That's gang shit.
This
You can't come
this
in here
rap,
like
bro.
that.
This
Nah.
nah.
I know you spent a lot for that. You can't come in like that, my man. Yo,
Come
big
on, man.
Also, the whole round thing, like that's so out of here.
Come
bro.
on, man. Nah, bro. This is fire, nigga. Look at this shit, bro.
Nah, like fam. I
Come
can't.
on, man.
Like,
Look at the drip. Look at the drip.
I see the. Drip.
I'm trying to look. I'm just trying to go in there and get niggas' lungs dripping, bro. That's it. Fill them up with fluid. That's all, baby.
Listen,
Come
bro,
on, you know what I do, baby.
Listen, yo, fam. I got Ventilator Music Volume 1 and Volume 2. Oh,
Hey, oh, you a real one. Oh, you a real one.
You know that. You know I bangs with the shit.
I fucks with you. I fucks with you.
Okay. Yo, your verse on Pink Lungs, nigga.
Woo!
Nigga.
Talk about it. Talk about it.
You killed that shit.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, yo, go to the head of security. Let him know. Be like, yo, this nigga's the real deal right here.
To, but like, yeah, but like his mother died from you, so he's not gonna listen.
Oh, damn.
Wow.
Uni babies
Wow.
COVID at the club.
Wow. We gotta get an Oscar for that. That's just Sucio Boy Fences right there. Like,
I think we're done here.
I think so too. I very rarely do. I'm just like, yo, is it, like, we usually like, yo, how much time? Like, no, that's it. That's it right there. It don't get better than that. You gotta go out on a high note. You gotta go out on a high note. That. Now remember, when I say we gotta go out on a high note, that doesn't mean like high like glory. That means like niggas is high. So that's what we're going out on. You know what I'm saying? I mean, listen.
You love to see it.
I mean, I enjoyed it. You know, like I just want to say, like, shout out to the Bodega Boys for allowing me to be here for episode 234. This is Mr. Meats. Just a reminder, remember, if you want something salty in your mouth, just say and I'll be right there. Like,
hey, shout out to Mr. Meats.
we gotta do promos like Kool-Aid, but instead it's just Mr. Meats just busting through walls like, yo, yeah, put me in your mouth. You're like, oh shit, it's Mr. Meats. Say It's Mr. Meats and Trey Songs. Make her say Listen, girl, it's coming. I know you're thirsty. Like, no. They're like, Mr. Meats, you bust into a house with a 7-year-old. She like Vienna sausages, bro. Like, you know.
I mean, it's all, so what?
Oh, Mr. Meat's gonna be upset when he's next to Jared. Jared's like, hey, you see Jared sharpening a razor. He just has like mad lettuce, and he's like, yeah, bro, what are you doing, bro? He's like, bro, you seem like you're like, are you gonna make like a salad or something? Like, what are you making there? Like, you got like 6 inches of bread. Like,
what's going on here?
What's going on? Like,
huh?
All right. Anyway, I don't know what you up to. Son. I'm just gonna take a nap. So just let me know when breakfast is. Jared's just chopping niggas, bro.
Yo, he's wildin'.
Bro, T.O., Jared tried to cut me up. T.O., he took my pimentos. Like, oh, shit.
Nah.
Shit. Nah, man.
How can I cut him? All I have myself is banana peppers.
That is, if you are a CEO and a child molester has banana peppers, and you gotta get arrested.
You gotta rearrest the motherfucker.
That just don't feel right. You know what I mean?
Yeah, something's going on. Something's up here.
I don't like what's going on. Like that.
I don't like this shit one bit.
I don't like that at all.
Bro, I just looked at the chat. Nigga said Trey Songz drop nudes.
He did, because he got the thing, and people was just like, yo, what's going on with Trey Songz? And it's like, yo, like,
Trey Songz got an OnlyFans?
He dropped it on OnlyFans, but are people thirsty like that? They're going to pay money on OnlyFans to see the meats? And if that's the case, me and Mero need to get on there. So,
Yo, for real. I'll work up a
dial us up,
chubby right now.
1-800-223-9797. Let us know if you want to see the meats.
Yeah, baby.
If you want to see if you want to come to the meat show, yeah, boy. Boy, this has been episode 234 of the world's most meatiest podcast, sponsored by Verizon and Boar's Head Ham. So, you know the fucking vibe. It's been your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pockets stay fat like Tyrael, a.k.a. Pockets, they stay fat like, here we go. Some of y'all might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Orlando, make sure to get the peri peri sauce. 1994 in Nueva York, yes, broadcasting live, you know the vibes. Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC Liquor Gunga P, put up for 40, with your shorty next to me, and she got Mr. Meats in her mouth. Wow, don't talk to me in the overpool because I don't know you. The original, my +1 got a +1, so, don't make a fuss, son. And, matter of fact, my +1 doesn't even have a +1. We don't give a shit. Because we're at a legal club, because it's COVID, you gotta let me in or else I'm gonna call the cops. So we kind of both in a bad situation here. So
stupid.
Yeah, stupid. All right. Desus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Yeah. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Charcuterie. Without the cornery. The same way Sans Serif doesn't have serif. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
No, you gotta take a sip of it and be like, oh, it tastes with original flavor. And I'm like, yeah. Half the coonery's out of it. You're like, yeah,
50% less coonery.
I can't believe this isn't coon. I can't believe this isn't coonery. Remember that? You kids don't know about that. At one point in American society, I can't believe I had butter commercials were so hot and sexy. People were obsessed about them, and the hands would touch each other, and your aunt would rub on her choach because it was all sexy, and she didn't want to know each other's face. I was like, yo, who the fuck are the butter lovers, bro? I need to find out. I can't believe it's not No, it wasn't. Oh, it was Country Crock. Yeah. Yes. The little tub of Country Crock. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, back, people forget, back before like 1999, America was OD horny all the time. The littlest thing made horny. Made America horny.
America was so horny that Fabio was sexy to mainstream America.
Explain that.
How?
Explain that.
That nigga looks like a pro wrestler.
Fam, every time they showed Uncle Joey on Full House, you had to wait 2 minutes for people to start fanning their pom-poms. It was like, yow! Oh my God, he's Greek. He's a yogurt heir. Oh my God, look at old Joe LaPuma. It's like, relax.
Yo, relax, dog. Like, this nigga does taxes.
Super like, sexy America. Like,
he just cuts his hair with a scissor. Relax.
If you want to know how horny America used to be, there were women that wanted Ronald Reagan to crack their absolute fucking shit like the Berlin Wall. Okay? Yep. All right? They wanted him to get off that Air Force One with his shirt tucked into his jogging pants, have a big jar of jelly beans, and just blow her back out like Space Wars. Excuse me, Star Wars.
Yo, it's wild.
Not the movie. The
America is,
plan. Yeah.
Yo, the mainstream American dog is just like the drunk motherfucker at the bar, like ready to go home with anything. Like anything is sexy.
Anything.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo,
bro, you're in Iran Contra. Let's fucking get out of here, bro.
Oh yeah, that's so hot. Bro. Yo, you want to put crack in the you want to put crack in low income communities? Yeah,
let's fucking do that, bro.
It's so hot.
It's wild. I'm trying to get double toppy with my man Oliver North, and
yeah. Fuck Ronald Reagan, nigga.
Yeah, some of y'all
and that old bitch Nancy Reagan
references
too.
Are mad wash. Guess what? Niggas with the pocketbooks are the wash niggas. So it's fine for you young niggas. All right. Guess what? You're not gonna get a check from someone with a TikTok account, and I say that.
Sorry.
Woo.
Even JoJo C was 38.
Secretly, see, we know that. We know the secret of Hollywood.
Boom.
I don't even understand how like people are falling for that. You can look at her and tell she's older. It's right there.
Yo, I'm like, yo, shorty's 6'8". She's 6'8". Nigga, how did she get me 10 years old?
Remember we were on set with her and she was in front of the camera. She was like, yeah, positivity, yeah, this is great. And they were like, cut. And she was like, bro, can I get a cigarette?
Yo. Bro. She lit a cigarette off a cigarette. I was like, yo, that's wild.
She was like, bro, I gotta jump around for these fucking kids. I gotta do all this fucking, I gotta wear these fucking glitter sneakers. I gotta look like fucking Rainbow Bright for these fucking kids. I don't wanna do this shit, bro.
Bro, this fucking ponytail's cracking my hairline.
Bro, like fucking
gross.
It's pulling my shit all the way back. Like I fuck. Bro, I had to do it. I had to slam 3 screwdrivers in the green room to even come out here and perform on this shit. I hate this shit, bro. Bro, you got anything a little stronger than tobacco? Because like, bro, I can't put up with this shit.
I mean, Listen,
Bro, I gotta
we're union babies. You know what I mean? They piss test us. So
JoJo, I mean, we're big fans of stuff, but I mean, like, if you need, like, I mean, I don't want to say nothing, but like, my man, Baby Mero got the fentanyl. If you really want that, like, you know, it's a connection.
Take it easy though. You know what I mean? A little dab will do
Pace
you.
Yourself.
Yeah,
Pace yourself, you know what I'm saying?
just a little, just get a little pooch. You know, don't go crazy.
This industry will eat you alive, babe. Take care of yourself. You know what I mean? We gotta get back on.
Yeah, right.
We got
We're on the clock.
We got blues. Yeah, it's Paw Patrol time. You know. So,
Yeah, right.
Shit, bro. Like, fuck it.
All right, whatever.
Bro,
Take it easy.
Mero, grab the glass of that Jamerson. I'm trying to get right before we take this.
Oh yeah, let's go. I gotta rub it on my gums. I'm teething.
It sucks, bro. It sucks, bro. Bro, look at my belly button. Does this look infected? It's just like it's swollen. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like,
Oh, gross.
bro. Holy shit, bro. What are these things at the end of my hands? They're moving.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Are you moving them on?
Like-
Are you making them move?
Oh, shit.
Why they move? They're moving all over the
on their
place.
own. Holy shit, bro. Bro, something's following you. It's a shadow. Bro,
What
run.
is it?
It's your
What is it?
shadow.
No.
Run, bro.
No.
It's going to
No.
catch you. Bro, it's your shadow.
No.
They're like, so
Ow.
you guys, so again, we told you we don't want the show. We told you to give us something else, and you walk back into this conference room and you tried to pitch the babies again, the union babies. I'm like, nah, I feel like last time we tried to pitch this to you, y'all really didn't see our vision. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like now I feel like, giving y'all time to marinate on it and like having the pages in front of you. Like now I feel like it's a
Also,
good time for us to come back.
Me and Mero, we made some changes. It's a different show. One of the babies is Filipino. So
So there you
there's
go.
that.
She's a nurse.
Yeah, a registered nurse.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't like this is like you're hating on nurses and women.
And women. And Filipinos.
Yeah.
You hate to see it.
Okay. All right. So, I mean, is that the kind of thing you want to do to the vaulted name of the streaming service? The cock! It's like, yo, watch Union Babies on the cock!
On the clock and on the cock. Union Babies.
All right.
Streaming now.
And be sure to our after show, Swallowing Babies, hosted by Sarah J. Very problematic. Very problematic. It's like, yo.
Digested babies.
It's called Babies on the Tongue. Like, yo.
Yo.
Relax. You're too sucio.
Relax.
Relax, yo. You're doing too much. You're doing too much.
Relax.
Oh, listen. Because Mufasa, young cartoon with the coonery, aka Chill the Mole, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Locate. Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Bonds, label Dalu. Dino the Trapio, Mr. 240, Pico Mapino, Blurry. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like, blurry. DJ Woola, aka listen to Wash That Fair. Right now, coming up, we got a song that your uncle was in the club doing a Running Man shoot. And if you wash, it's gonna get you pumped. Let's give it up for our man.
That's right, Chop Rock, press for this. Chop to the rock, chop. That's right.
You know the fucking vibe.
The summer's almost done. No time for sleep. Jump in your Jeep and pump up the funky beat. Holy.
All right, a little Chub Rock. Treat him right. You know what I'm saying? Y'all wasn't there.
Doing it
1990.
right.
Okay, Chub Rock was a big guy, but he could dance. It was the weirdest thing in the '90s. The big rappers could dance. Heavy D, Chub Rock, they was busting moves.
Yeah.
So that's,
a lot of motherfuckers forget. Like you had to be able to dance too. Like you had to be. It was a package. It wasn't just like he got bars. You had to be charismatic, have like a cool image. You know what I'm saying, and also be able to dance, no matter your size or weight or physical abilities.
He kind of reminds me. There's a new rapper by the name of Moray from like I want to say he's North or South Carolina. He kind of reminds me of Chub Rock. He can rap. He's like very charismatic in his videos. He's like you can see he's like a good person. He seems very. He's gonna go far in the industry. I see that. There's some there. But we need the thick snacks back in the rappers. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
We need husky rappers back.
Let's bring them back. You know what I'm saying?
We need that back. Okay, listen, it's the Curry Ghost, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Lean Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, Moreno, you can't contain him, the him and Meme, where to Ja? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Bloodcoast, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the humor weather is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decative, Ricky Tiki Scrabby, Greg Popovich, more Safe Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber, hola in the morning. It's producer press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more couple noodles, the Prince of Pekka, the Fashion Nova Casanova, William Mates, cent, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar.
No.
Forget
What
the
you
small
want?
change.
What you want? What you want? What you need?
Big money one. Dolly Atom, my salute is Dipset. Mr. Sagger, catch me at square one top left, cuz man's just Marv. Trill Risotto, holy cow. Mr. South Palms, all I do is count checks and jerk off. And we got OJ Purple Stuff Soda. And it's me, Sunny D. David Garman, Jesus Spencer, Jesus Red Bottles, Jesus Bloody Shoes, Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cool Nana, a.k.a. the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down behind me, Charger. Kobe Pick Cokers, I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is I shout out to the 11791. It could Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket, get scratched, okay? Also, Charlie, if you clean his litter box and you're pregnant, it's going to be bad for you. So stay away from that. You know what I'm saying? That's not
Yo.
Your man did our Jesus. More than sheriff. Be a real shame if I stole this hand sanitizer. That's all that's out here. I don't know. Miss Shopping that street easy like a bad breeze, like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back. Automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a codamina. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a codamina. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a codamina. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a codamina. We're working on that. We're releasing that with Bad Bunny. It's going to be the summer anthem. So
it's gonna be a joint. Can't wait, baby.
Zara Newsom, Zara Lawson on the hook is gonna be fucking fantastic. She's Illa. No one could be Illa. Black Zach Moore support Morris Young KPI. It's your man, Personal Desus, aka the Pele Ton, JPI Queso, your Inspector Terror Deck, aka Problematic Bay. Remember, it's not a secret family. If you teach your baby how to smoke and they star in the new show Union Baby's coming on the cop.
Yeah,
that's right. Open auditions are open. Send us a picture of your baby smoking so it'll be considered for the cast of Union Baby.
That's right.
Okay.
Newport 100s only. Yo, you know the
Up next, we got coming to the stage is the Kid Mero.
That is correct. It is I, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt. Loaded, jump the curb, hit your fucking dog, and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck your leash is long. It's not 6 feet long, pal. You know what I mean? And animals can transmit COVID, apparently. You know what I'm saying? So double mask up and double mask up your pooch. I don't fucking baby, I fucking man. You know what I'm saying? No need to check the guest list because Cuomo said it's a dub. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia. You know what I'm saying? Catch me in the basement and highly concentrated dabs. THC. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tiger Backwoods smoke a 3-gram blunt to hit you with this 9-iron. Pow, 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 pow. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. It's Mensch Montana, huh? I went from roaches to this in my backyard. I think I did pretty well for myself. Whoopty. I'm smoking a Zaza. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I got my kids signed to be on Tibbs' coaching staff until they're eligible for the NBA draft because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Ben Smack Biombo, AKA, Diego Maradona, AKA, Dick in your pimple tombo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This good pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not. It belongs to you, my queen, and I defer to you on whether or not you allow me entry. Thank you. You know what I'm saying?
The growth.
Yes, that's right. AKA Bottles Antenna, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? And I don't even care because it was somebody else's account. Sorry, Mom. AKA the Dominican Daddy, AKA I'll swipe my card again. There's definitely money. Let's stop trying to play me. Before I call your manager that DVRs the show and embarrass the shit out of you, motherfucker. Do not worry about how it's right. You know what I'm saying? Do you know who I am? Don't worry about how high I am. You know what I'm saying? Just put the motherfucking chocolate frosting in the bag because I'm going to eat it with my hands when I get home. All right? I'm not trying to be outside. A.K.A. Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. So Danny, let me black out. Yo. Shorty got shot in the neck. You know what that reminds me of? The time I was sucking on your titi's neck at United Palace in front of you and you didn't do shit because you a coward. Step to me. I dare you. I'll defeat you with my Chelsea boots. Thank you. AKA Tom Brazy. You're gonna got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crabs, you know what I'm saying? I'm wild, problematic, MAGA Tom, you know what I'm saying? But I got 7 rings. I'm causing an uproar on social media right now, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? AKA Lightning El Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you've been coronafied.
Say what?
So I cannot share this blunt with you. You know what I'm saying? AKA, whoa, Phil Das Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos by consensually, of course, because we're the consent boys. You know how we do. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Lil Snoozy Verb, first nigga to tap out on live, been social distancing before Rona. AKA, Fernando Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA, Zaniel Bedingfield. Now you got to get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
Say what?
At Mama Sushi, we are at 25 capacity. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Rupert 25 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. 1 hour just for sanitization purposes. AKA live harassing patrons coming out of Payomatic. It's the East Stream on Stevie B asking you for change while doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. That's right. And don't take love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. AKA listen, mate. It's every week. It's weekly. It's a weekly occurrence now at this point, mate. I have to tell you, remind you, that there's only 2 rock stars left, mate. It's the Bodega Boys. The only true rock stars left in the world, mate. Everybody else is fronting for the cameras, for the gram. These are true rock stars. I saw Desus do an entire line from the front entrance of the Viacom building to the security desk. You know what Rockstar shit, man. Rockstar shit. Rockstar lifestyle might not make it. You know what I'm saying? Wow. It's the planets swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, giving you a disapproving look for not wearing a mask. You know what I'm saying? Because British folks were all about shaming you into doing the right thing. You know? That's what we do on the side of the farms. AKA, back at it, dropping dubs in Portland. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Bang! You'll love to see it. Hey, look. If you see me at Target and I am higher than Taco Fall, standing on a step stool, approach me like a motherfucking earthside mammal because I react erratically if you're not standing on a little footprints that's 6 feet away from me, motherfucker. I'm not trying to be out here. Play dead. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty, the Ball Breakers, baby, because anytime you see me in a Zoom, baby, you know that I'm free balling. I'm just letting them hang. You know what I'm saying? AKA, whoa, hey kids, it's Bento the Clown. I got some vaccines here. So I'm good to come to your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over. Sorry, I'm getting used to this non-virtual thing now. But in the meantime, I'll go get my balloons, and Mr. Fun Fun here will set up the with your kids. Parents, feel free to leave the room.
Hey kids, I got in trouble from my last show, so we're gonna keep this really PG and stuff. I find when I talk, I get in trouble, so I'm not gonna talk. Instead, I'm gonna, I have a friend that's gonna come talk to you. You guys want to meet Mr. Meat? All right, I'm gonna open my pants.
Whoa, Mr. Fun Fun. That's the wrong Mr. Meats. Wrong Mr. Meats, Mr. Meats.
The Bodega Boy said Mr. Meat was like
Yeah, no, no. He's an anthropomorphized hot dog, is what he is. He's not your penis. So let's get into this. Let's get into this video, man, and go.
I'm confused. So,
okay, bye, kids.
so
Have a
some of
great
your
day.
kids-
Skirt, skirt.
all right. So the kids are not gonna go bobbing for meats? Is that because that was promised? for the birthday
Yeah,
today?
no, they're not. They think their mouths are too small.
I mean, to you, bro. Like, you know.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Okay, I sold fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. Listen, they're sending me shit promotionally that I don't even know what it is. I just got some health elixir, so I'm gonna just dump this in this reusable bottle, and I got some leftover 409 from when I cleaned the stove. And that's what's gonna power your next SoundCloud rapper's album. So you're welcome. You know what I'm saying? If it's trash,
Bro, you're
it's
missing
not my
out.
fault.
I got some free colonoscopy bags. I've been using them as tote bags lately.
Oh, nice.
Like a lifesaver. They go right on your hip, and it's just like, they can hold
Fashion.
stuff, or they can hold other stuff. I like to fill it with Gatorade, but sometimes I forget if it's like, do you sip from it or do you pee in it? So you gotta keep the tubes differently.
Why not both?
I mean, listen, waste not, want not, right? Like,
Yeah. Use my mouth like a piss tray.
hey, we're gonna need you to. You're gonna have to find. This is the hardest thing to do. Find a Pinot after you've already used it and cleared your history and closed the browser out. But I need you to find that because we need to make that for the soundboard.
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah.
Okay, papi. Now it's time for you to turn on your SAP because.
Let's go, bro.
Hasan, tírame la fucking pista, coño. Oye, que lo que guau, llegó el hijo de Titi FIFA, coño, malo que estoy bajando con la pámpara prendida. You know what I'm saying? No me de cotorre que para lo que tiene Tito te tumba el coco, mamá huevo. Váyase de ahí que conmigo tú no vas a sonar. You know what I'm saying? Para borrow una frase de la doña Toquilla. De sacato escolar es donde está la verdadera calentura vaginal. Shout out a la casa. Showtime. Shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan Insane que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Desus Bueno, la nota jamaquina, #1 in the world. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de las ladies, 24 quilates de coco en esa melena, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God, se me está parando.
Oh my God.
Shout out a la nena de la bodega, coño. Dale la más dura, la planta insuperable, coño. Shout out a mi presidente Pío. Suelta avísame que ando con la vaina soba, coño. Activa con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Llegó mi hermano Friki, 2 años por no ser boca floja. Yo no que corro con Palomo. Ese tigre va para Miami a comprar pila de toto. You know what I'm saying? Que descanse en paz mi hermanito Sexo y mi hermano Chadwick. Que está en la casa, lávate la fucking mano, ponte 2 máscaras. You know what I'm saying? Que ya terminamos con Donald Trump, pero Joe Biden está, tú sabes, está medio viejito, loco. So, ten cuidado con él. Ponte 2 máscaras. 2, 3, 4. Hasta las 15. We out,
You know the fucking vibes. You're another one in the books. More of that, you know what I'm saying, salted meats for your ears.
You know what I mean? That uncut.
You know that fucking vibes. You know
in the
that
natural
stuff.
casing.
The stuff when you eat it too fast, it hurts your heart. You're like, yo,
Yeah.
I can't take this all night, bro. I'm gonna kill
Yeah,
me. You know,
that's right.
Relax, man.
Take all those nitrates.
Yeah. You know the fucking vibes. Another one, listen. Yo, shout out to Bodega Boys. We still got the show going. We got a lot of things in the hopper. Be sure to check out the Showtime show. Desus Mero still popping on Sundays and Thursday nights. Nothing but illustrious guests. What else we see? Black Lives Matter.
Yes.
Start rocking the double mask because there's different variants out there, and you people think being the first person to get the new variant sounds like a flex. It's not.
It's not a flex.
I had to learn the hard way. I waited in front of Flight Club the other morning. I was trying to get the Boston variant. They sold out. I was tight. Yep. I was like, man, niggas coming out the store coughing like, I got the shit.
Yo, you tight.
Not happening. Not true. But
Fam.
I say keep washing your hands. Listen, if you got this far without getting it, you're doing something right.
So keep doing it.
Stay at it. Keep at it. And you know what I'm saying? Listen, the pandemic is very tough right now. Life is no longer what it used to be before this all started. You're going through things. You might be stuck in a house with people who are stressing you. You might be going through it because you don't know how to school your kids. Your work situation is wilding. Your money situation is wilding. You don't know what's going on. You might be worried about family members, friends you can't contact with. You might not be able to return emails, or text messages, or phone calls. But we will say this to you. The Bodega Boys stand with you. We got this podcast to help you with your mental health, and we're not going to give up on you. We believe in you.
No.
You can do this. Let's get it. Let's get this money. Let's get the residual income.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? We used to have crack in our butts. If we could do it, you could do it.
That's right. And we did that, and we kept custody of our kids. You could do that too. All right? We'll see you at Everest College. We out.
Holla.